ɛna afo dia na se baby abai ɛna so man kɔfo so mu twiwa dinie ɔbɛboa na vagina tighten no we ne kama pa asiesie ho etimiera ma boys no so no uyo obi a wade no wo ha kakra wo ma otedua no ɔbɛboa no wasiesie no ɔbɛma mu ayɛden esuana pɛsɛ yɛ kɛse a ɔbɛma na yɛ kɛse low spec kan na edunya ni nyina ɔbɛ na wabɔmɔde etimi aso ano ntu de ramo Dr. Nimo na so na edwuma bɔ no ano ɛden papa nya no nko wo kinimo ha oliver no ha kakra wo mo hepatitis typhoid and afi cancer and on natural hypertension afi stroke no any diabetes no obomode edu dwuma sisi yo ya twaya yo so na wani yo ya ramu okọ obedoso no aboa amane makoyi peda mezanza na so no laboratory services koso scan services koso or other machines or dibu edwuma boa na so ha no etimi ma kumase atonsu monaco junction no osita dansi we bank obo edwuma ohoroma no trans joda ekokosi memenda anopa no so abode apai mo no 7:30 am ekoko ramanyumre no nsia no na wahra ye edwuma na dia man kran so no urwani chimo circle inside Fotorama or Bengoyu station no opposite NS Chemist also no or trans ya woda bia edikoko ramemenda anopa no so abo edi apai mo no eramanyumre no nsia na abo amane makoyi dia mantifa na number no 0244 087 687 0244 087 687 and 0279 087 687 0279 087 687 on boa na hyehyɛ no enko yesoro etimi enfama Fibo Venture Zebra na opera two brushes awdo na ene niema bia akeka osim no ebeyi ere fiwa ema wo sene mpramoja ena afre besa boa atwi so ama so efipa eye Fibo Ventures ne dia aba bebaze ye wo Atford Prince ekwe de man kwadan keto amema no Atford Princess eko e de man kwadan keto ambaya no Atford Evidence nso no honom ye wo Atford Executive Atford Friendly na afi no ye wo Atford Galaxy enya no kwa no mo de abo mo de toothpaste awdo na etimi aba unya bi na yusu a e boss ye chinam na oban esamboa e ma osini efita pampam bi o wonu bia no e yidi fi ona afi how bia no e bo modern e pam no ntie wo afi fresh about toothpaste your get clear toothpaste your alloy toothpaste and your peppermint toothpaste e boa amane ma de di so no etimi edi ama kama pana hyehyɛ no akoyi so etimi edi ama ntimi pacho opeba ko ana dodo na atua Fibo Ventures form number na ni omo ni nkomo 0241 545646 0241 545646 na 0200 600 934 0200 600 934 ni amwa na hyehyɛ no koyi so etimi enfama Vodafone semenka emfa chosa akonya na ba zenne Vodafone car special voice offer no Odo hube rama 5 Ghana cedi pe ye amount 200 minutes e valid for 7 good days on network no obaba modena wetimi era from eti star 110 hash star 110 hash anako my Vodafone app no so o akwenya so be rama na app na hyehyɛ na da ye pa etimi edi amount Vodafone further together na boa na hyehyɛ na koyi so etimi edi amount kama na ntoto no adeda di na betwe enzemen kan fa chose akwenya na ba etimi edi amount se ne ube rama na watwa na wadina bibia adeda ye kama pa so no etimiera ma munkomo no eye www.betway.com.gh www.betway.com.gh na boa na bibia koyie pa etimi edia ma wanye dun wotwenko a o qualify na after international break no sanra mu o come site obabi a ya twa 100% na no na ukoma obon the golden booking code no me patro offer enyi bi mfimu emfa bi nka ho utwa 1 Ghana to 50 Ghana na edi wa usika no unya ne back udi so a ye bɔ modern ema ntutu ne koyie de mo asika no unya ne bochu pa ko momo venda bi ona ne uzi abɔ modern etimi aye ntutu no atwe top up no wa na wa bɔbɔde na odo ho ahyemu na ne no wa ye top up no na abɔ ma ne ma deda di pa etimi era ma Betway bet your way na ne ma end the year farmer drinks ni emienu pɛ eno ana ye bɔbɔbɔbɔ na ma ahoden so nkokra na ya baba be trans ne edwuma no ye ne kama panti ne okɔ akoye edwuma den wa ye wia mixer 5G habamani nuaba ne abɔ modern ye cafe bia nimti aboa esamba besiesie ni pedua no omo ana di miso fruit drinks aba organic fruit susu a unya bi na abɔ a uzampa emu edeye papa emu so apie aboa na esiesie nkɔfo ma ne ma dadi so ede amomntia ye na aba ebedi nto na aba zenne party bi na ekoso a oji mixer 5G na waji miso fruit drinks na wetimi da kan fa number na ene mpefo di nkɔma ne ma bi zanse fena aba no ene yedi 0 0246 270 0246 270 and 0558 106348 0558 106348 more call for you Diano Muramu Enso Ewo Kweku Oche Company Limited no ewo Eastin for no 0243 329414 0243 329414 na KF Kinju Enterprise Urwani Chemu no motor Swami Kumasia Obo Modena so no wetimi agimi 0544 483392 0544 483392 Manager Daniel ewo hia overseas na kokojibi ewo 21st clinical Mama Esther at Royal Ventures Watra Baptist University Ebuakwa no GB PNC Ventures Anomanji Taxi Station Osi Charity Hospital Junction Obenje Binana Sachi Enterprise no Orwani Chema Safwa Binchia Osi VIP car park no Yebuana wetimi enye bi so no hono me 0246 270221 Sera mekeno oposo sa mana Yebuana Ghana baby obia onsa etimi akabina nema adeda yepa etimi ediamanti anche meromu na pempa ne de akọ na manone nkomo yakọ akodi na mo Sompa sika promotion star 256 star 3 hash star 256 star 3 hash na waramu urama konya ne dawo etimi ere ma so no ubetwara wadi ba ko ye 5 Ghana cedi no offer Sompa Kumase twagumusa na mebe sorry so a mebo more than 1000 Ghana meche etimi ere man konfo mienu na boa amane ma de ye pede amanti yanko opempa na ekrado amanone nkomo eto aso ere amamo
right abrana sensu na no pe bra yesim konwan ye be breaking it down na ya touching it down na ya knocking it down na ya nyadaje jejamu yompo wa mono nsemo na yen hyansem na simfra bibram ha ni nyina no sa na wotwa wie ye CAF Champions League matches outdoor SI Basso now Romo CAF Champions League team bako from Mauritania ye fa Nuadibu me no kase o touch it down e wo Mauritania o mo fra be touch it down wo Pretoria e wo South Africa ni nyina no som ni Mamelodi Sundowns and the Pim so na Romo e Gambia na ka wo se team no team the Pim so on Friday no team even Mamelodi Sundowns and Nuadibu at the Pim so Friday na per reporter banana pay a game no more shifty at the Konyami Passan Day Ningan so Roma Sundowns almost more 6 players Bafana national team and what you Pima Nuadibu for as for 5 players Mauritania or national team camp and what you on Saturday Uko Pima Baby Tima your friend of Mamelodi Sundowns or Musu Omakai Pretoria South Africa no at the rugby event be a betman to draw Nina Kaunama gamer between Sundowns and in Nuadibu no or must shifted from Friday at the Kosan Day and no at their Baye Jejamu at Jamamuna and pay our Jumadian so Bientinsim our calf World Cup qualifiers now and ya Adiasanyame Pane games now ABA Tuja na Upemo Abibremwa sending a game Sebe Tuja our Africa no a city Upema me pacho Mamin Shasia Group A ho ena Pemo Group A ho ena Ethiopia me pacho mama Ethiopia de no if say Ethiopia ni B for so ena air Shasia A Group A eno 1 PM na pacho kramo muntwa na mumfa call na bianya kama na babia urama eno achi no Mauritania bebo Togo ne Senegal eso babra Mauritania and South Sudan Asia no achi Lesotho any Benin eso 1 PM eno achi no now say urama Yadesa Rwanda and South Africa esu Asia Eswatini and Cape Verde esu abebo 1 PM and watch Libya Cameroon esu ebo and watch Mauritius and Angola esu ebesiane and watch Urama games outdoor ebeguso atotwa wa bibrem ha ama bia so atma fine Urama Botswana Guinea and 1 PM and watch Urama Somalia Uganda and 1 PM South Sudan and Zambia Tanzania, Morocco, Esu Ebo, Malawi, Tunisia, Ebo, Sao Tome and Principe, and in Namibia, Ebesana, Comoros, Ghana, and we are 4 PM, and we are games, and no Premo, Premo, a Betma Tuja, Ye Jeja, Modamamo, Ewo Jumadiano, and Sempina Eba, Young Fan to a name, Eso Roma, a ɛyɛ adeɛ sɛ team a yɛfrɛ no ɛkyɛ sɛ teams ahodoɔ ɛso ɛɛbɔ na wura mu after international break no nsɛm pii na bɛkɔɔ clubs no so yɛ adeɛ so far wura mu a saa top players wei during the international break ɛyɛ adeɛ so players na kɔ prepra na saa players ɔma prepra no sɛ ne sitiɛ wura mu Vinicius Junior wapra ɛno akyi Gavi ɛso atima pra yɛwɔ Zaire Emery ɛwɔ France ɔkɔ wakɔ pra abra Gavi kɔ pra wɔ Spain ɛne ɔma yɛ friend Georgia ɛde pim so Vinicius Junior so kɔ Brazil ɔno so kɔ pra abra ɔmo ne ɔma yɛ yɛ friend Colombia ɛde pim so Erling Haaland ɛso Norway wakɔ pra ɛwɔ hɔ ɛna Brante ɔno so Bodman South Korea yɛ friend Son ɔno so kɔ pra Kamavinga ɛso kɔ pra ɛno ɛso fa pim a top players a ɔmo kɔ international break no ɔmo kɔ pra yɛde nsɛm de ma na akɔda ne yɛ friend Gavi Pablo no ɔno so fa wura mu La Liga sa clubs way and officially ɔmo di statement aba wishing speedy recovery Jodica Cadiz Jawatefe and a Real Valladolid ɔmo enetma ship boy no a speedy recovery the official statement aba and upon touching it down as a Real Madrid a for century ɔmo statement baba and best statement of support and the Pablo Gavi ɔmo de Breno and no idea pami cham jamamo na kopema per Potter if Real Madrid ɔmo ba so Roma Premier League team your friend Brighton as a ɔmo coach or free Italy your friend Roberto Di Zerbi ɔmo ashasa contact no ne entourage no as ɔmo nyane de ne ba enya bad person Roberto Di Zerbi eba no be coach Real Madrid team na day ɔmo so ma pimpna nana and sin dadako no mu ye no ɔmo say Real Madrid ɔmo players no ɔmo ye very young and ɔmo nya Roberto Di Zerbi obetimi abe guide ɔmo if so wall equipped obe guide ɔmo no ma be koye ɛso dia ɔmo ɛno ɛde ba ma min tinsimo Harry Maguire na Harry Maguire so far what didn't send ya to twa then some Harry Maguire dia to twa ne nyina no so England the year 2023 by European champion and I say by European championship Euro 2024 qualifiers na omotuma and dom campaign ye na dom ye no e say na koy.
We knew it'd be a brilliant year, like you've said, a tough group, and to qualify with 2 games to spare was big credit from the lads. We beat Italy twice, obviously 4 points off Ukraine as well. So it's been a great year for us. We knew it'd be a little bit of a tough camp. We wanted to win both games. We wanted to score lots of goals. We wanted to entertain the crowd. It wasn't to be. We found it a little bit tougher than we should have. But I think we're in a great place.
And your Harry Maguire no was say the afi 2023 ometma entin year papa I just say a brilliant year at the Emma Womo you sasa does so entertain fans no almost a lot of goals or try and game on North Macedonia a boy na go na by on England you know and your Gareth Southgate or before the 3 Lions ni 200 goal what my guide or mama mashado no into a cancel when Gareth Southgate as soon after almost 1-1 draw with North Macedonia no say and all the true that
mentality was excellent. I thought we played well. We totally controlled the game. Difficult with the way that they defended and the pitch not easy to get the perfect final pass, but I thought there were some excellent performances. Mentality was excellent. I thought
excellent and North Macedonia omo pitch no na enya all the best say o pese passes ne kwa a team kosa dia ope ba ni nyina no or summarizing enya bad and famo campaign no and you somebody to jana kwadana and England on player of the game or no je friend Luis Rico akwadana nan wadi 19 years na omo ti play momo banana pay from North Macedonia and a Gareth Southgate on one kasa bia wo hwa ne channel ne legacy cup no wo yiye e no sa koda no ne debut game wo timi boy Edmund the Three Lions of England no akwa no badwuma and that was senya player of the game and ntru rom te flight mu ba no birthday gifter wo de ma koda no and oyi ne legacy cup no ne che no and was as a birthday gift and what ama no and we dey banere European Championship qualifiers no and the matches outdoor e betodwa and then the last run of matches ba ball 745 Gibraltar bon Netherlands and what you pema ya dese o maya your friend Greece ball France osa pema after that group B game no ye benya group D games betodwa ball 745 ye Croatia ye Armenia o mubeshia ni anya Wales any Turkey and you are 745 ye benya o maya ye friend Andorra o group I omni Israel Asia ni anya Kosovo and Belarus as well 745 now Romania Switzerland as with their pim so now so far 20 countries and etima qualify ye per 24 countries so say 4 slots and etima ka ye German host nation Portugal qualify Belgium qualify France qualify Turkey qualify Scotland qualify Spain qualify Austria ye England Hungary ye Slovakia Albania Denmark Netherlands ye Switzerland ye Romania Serbia Italy Czech Republic and Slovenia omo etima qualifier omo pm ewo Euro 2024 championship ebetotwa eso omo friend Germany and parliament touching it down etima o as a 2nd December Hamburg and a drone betuma totwa 5 p.m. and no editia ye checha modema and ne ewo tumadi no so ye gusu tim konwa so mienwram so far opema some musician way ye friend Buster Rams and maybe a tram or bebo djuma papa na also no represent Hannover 96 opemo Bundesliga 2 club ye friend Hannover 96 or no represent me omo fan baby on be so jesi no etim dia him na grama jamaitan na no pay e wo Germany asene opema ene ye friend game there Germany minor as airpoint transfer friend la omo away against Austria and omo the airpim so no Ernst Happel Stadion on a game betman tuka na pemo bamunchina jam so much as say discuss Manchester United omo a defender Jeffreno Rafael Varane ni nyina no Manchester United team no I almost say a boy no so offer ba on bamna ko na mo bamunchen eso omo hwe ese winter digital transfer ni pia eni January omo center back na center back no omo nya abrante Rafael Varane emo epe na mo ohwe ne salary 17 million pounds wajina fino eske wasoro eno ede ba me de ma no chino ba mu nchin se omunya right back omu ebepe omu besia upper folder no more percent back ni nyina se ba mu nchin omu per 3 signings e wo January ba winter digital transfer na eno ede dabba maso a me pia dia ma eno achiri so far yenwram per top 10 highest transfer market values e was a players say omu born na wram market e was so pa Erling Haaland Manchester City Norway omu player no on edikai ne born wo market 211.2 million pounds Vinicius Junior 169.1 million pounds Bukayo Saka at the third 168.7 million pounds Jude Bellingham no ye crafin te boy no on the bono 163.9 million pounds Rodrigo Real Madrid or Badman price 158.6 million pounds and Pedri Barcelona 152.9 million pounds what the 6th position 7 Pablo Gavira Gavino no ne bone 149.7 million pounds and Jamal Musiala 146.5 million pounds and no year so far urama so far omo bon wasro uramo transfer marketer and majeja mutama mamingwa na mnyadwuma ma yade said the 14th edition of the Dubai Club Soccer Wars 2023 no eso baba so omo safi enkonkoye Dubai Club Soccer Wars nkwa omo partner 18th Dubai Sports Council international sports conference no and omo no omo body awards no etuma paso na beto twa on the 19th of January opiemu a ewo eye 5-star hotel your friend Atlantis the Palm ho elebetuma twa and your 14th edition no matter the nominees na ba owrama yentwa the Globe Soccer Awards 2023 nominees for Best Women's Club of the Year, Best Women's Club of the Year. Me patro we no the best women's player and I so far that screen so now na maminya ho adwuma ma now Best Women's Player of the Year nominees now for the year 2023. The so kopema and Sempinaba your Barcelona Babawa your friend Aitana Bonmati your Millie Bright your Linda Caicedo Badma Real Madrid and your Ogla Camona your Debina your Kadetu Diani and your Rahel Daly your Esther Gonzalez Sasuna and Patricia Gujaro your Sam Mapillion and your Oshola or Mo Eninano Edi Etmapim na Yantra a Women's Club of the Year, Women's Club of the Year no a sofa the Eterno Roma Nessa Ayas Diaba your Arsenal your Barcelona Bayern Munchen your Benfica Chelsea Lyon your Poland Tons and AS Roma and a Wolfsburg or more enya Women's Club of the Year nominees no and watching room na yantre fans favorite player of the year 2023 Urama Memano yenya Jude Bellingham Erling Haaland Harry Kane yenya Robert Lewandowski yenya Kylian Mbappe yenya Lionel Messi na kuntunkuni yenya Neymar Jr. yaso enya si Ronaldo Misunkumalewa yenya Mo Salah Gali enya Vinicius Jr. onusu ebemo and yet 10 players Bako and Benya fans favorite player the year 2023 and your Globe Soccer Awards no nominees no Ebinam Jamano Young Best Men's Club of the Year, Best Club Men's of the Year Nessa Open Memano Club of the Year and also Senate your Al Ali Efrabi Bremo Al Hilal Esu Epiemo and your Al Ittihad and your Arsenal your Barcelona your Bamunchen your Benfica your Boca Juniors your Feyenoord your Fluminense your Inter Milan your Man City your Napoli your PSG your AS Roma your Sevilla your Union Berlin and your Urawa Red Diamonds and your West Ham United with that Athletic or more NMK Best Men's Club nominees 2023 na young Romnian a Best Men's Player of the Year no and also no say and acquire yenya a players makuma ku 30 yenya Julian Alvarez yenya Abante Nicolo Barella yenya Jude Bellingham Benzema and you Bobology striker no and yenya Yasin Bono goalkeeper Edmond Morocco yenya Kevin De Bruyne yenya Branta Ruben Diaz and yenya Ederson Moral for Foden Jack Grealish C Ronaldo Misunkumalewa Bukayo Saka Mo Salah and yenya Vinicius Jr. and Victor Osimhen omunyina ni Luka Modric omudintim bam Robert Lewandowski edietima bam no so far de tia ye jejamu yompo eso de amam ene e wo dwumadie no so ye gusu tim konya so e break no down attach no down e jejamu tamam so far per report eba eso Ramo West Ham United left back your friend Emerson Palmieri the Mitsa Saudi Arabian club a betman show interest eso munya no mo pe na mum Jamete eso officially omo enshase ni nkomo eno edeba ye jejamu edamam yemrom e come ball ene omo World Cup qualifiers no ebi ebetime abaso na Ramo come ball ene ebo 11 pm e Paraguay Colombia eno 11:30 ye benya Ecuador Chile eno chino sa Roma ye benya omo ye fe Uruguay Bolivia eso bebo na ye se ba benya 12:30 na dwi Brazil Argentina na 2 am yenya Peru Venezuela and a Romario Ejabetuka as on against decision ACBF no Ekikasa Fernando Dennis and a so far one team na and for more qualifiers no no na owura friend the Don Carlo Ancelotti abe take it do World Cup on what you say ye adenoma Fernando Diniz and take it in qualities no and so to coach Brazil national team edoma World Cup and ya Romario na dia tuka ya de emamon na PM Saudi or more vice president outside professional league no Sad El Ladis and dia tuka and so me effort biase Messi nana kuntunkuni Messi and come the be PM Al Hilal 100% effort and we make here now so off from the man no na a good for Messi to come now so Messi rejected here and we are there by Ronaldo and you am soon kumalewa wakasa afa opinion of Aurelio Pereira se o discover no na opinion in some wakafa no yentiakra.
Como o senhor Aurélio sabe, foi muito importante na nossa formação, não só a mim, mas todos os meus companheiros, muitos dos meus companheiros também. E como toda a gente sabe, o senhor Aurélio tem olho.
I said your Kenyasa or Danase. Now, Oran won't trust or now on yes, excellence a Jumano, Ninanasa or I for a superstars on the Discover or Bonabaso or himself and condition very excellent. No man na Equayetimano and your favorite Aurelio Pereira or no, and so for Discover see Ronaldo and no editor Dimana Ronaldo or Pema Croatian footballer or by a friend Anna Markovic was here Ronaldo and football idol. Now, when your opportunity.
Exciting news. I will meet Cristiano Ronaldo. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I cannot explain you how much excited I am. Everyone who knows me since I'm a little girl, I'm just watching YouTube videos of Cristiano like
and yet dear Tiano no nani Nigeria Ronaldo museum na Riyadh no ye fili emuso kakra no ma nyina ditam masa what outdoor wagigi nyina no ebi eguguguma wife bisu videos what the SCC wa de emamo ene e wodwumadi no so na opiama Ronaldo piamo Saudi no no ma ekwen so far e ya de say yentwe best Middle East club of the year and no so no Al Nassr boboko no etimi enya nomination we so no Ronaldo eso Enya Middle East best player of the year and so far voting Ashasia Ronaldo na early do 77.4% and Al Nassr boboko no o twane so Johnny Gallo mu nyina din wo Benzema emudia wo e the best A player no na club no eso no so far Al Nassr enya nomination so far almost voting no take leader 71.1% and no edeba na ukowrama boy ye fe no eye Bulai Diaz our Podma Salernitana they sign a contract one crosses me on bishem yes 22 million euros eshem se ebase masa UEFA competition a club ebe pena ube 22 million euros and as a ebase wuni UEFA competition mo and also no ube sika ebe 20 million euros and we are there now Roma Stefano Pioli as for her positive signs from Samuel Chukwueze and Noah Okafor Luka Jovic ni some game against Frosinone and some tumpo dwuma bibia eso eye kama eno eje dawa ye de emamo e odwumadie no so yenyina so na nsama odo a ye bobo no na no pai no yenyina so na ye mfama mamenko eye Netherlands opiem wo Netherlands The Hague ebi so e kan De Haag opanyina fa no Blanksen Titi nyankopon enya okase ne eye dasonko abrabom no bibia enya sere ni nkranhyasem ene no manyina enkoyi emfama titi ejado no for The Hague ewo Netherlands no eso eno nyankopon ka no nya okase bia eso enkoyi emfama.
Betway is your gateway to a theme park full of gaming excitement. A whirlpool of wonder where your favorite games come to life. Where you can take to the skies with max payouts that reach into the millions. All in the palm of your hand. Visit betway.com.gh. Terms and conditions apply. Betway is regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. No under 18. Bet responsibly. Betway. Bet your way.
21st clinic aye sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu yenti abaso bo ma gine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enyasem ketewa wo mu gi international awards ahodo wo mu gi local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa. Bibrim hano ebi ni baby a gise 21st clinic nkwa. Wo mu de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho. Eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade pa ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no. Eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade ne ade. Ghana ha baby a wo mu ho. Fre 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 na 21st clinic. Wo mu ye sciatica expert.
Wahese wako shop akodi dwa hodo basket ma emu provisions ene nyoma hodo ehia opa wa delay musa edru so na ukotua nso a yakase wo se untimi nchante e me chance na ma na so ya keke na mom o de Vodafone cash dia uni how cry yakako bebia say dia untimi de Vodafone cash etua merchant bia or what network bia so straight direct sharp enti say what provisions fuel inuro iniane me say bia o pese wo ye bia no Vodafone cash ama na ye mremremra ma o ehia o be ya de say o be dial star 110 hash netua kakọ merchant bia ho e won network bia so
Vodafone. Here in Ghana, when it comes to chicken, the good old days are back. Why? Because Boris Beef's Chicken, BBC, is here. Yep, give your family and loved ones Boris Beef's Chicken. Fresh, tasty, delicious. Boris Beef's Chicken is produced right here in Ghana by our cherished poultry farmers with support from the Ministry of Agric. Get whole frozen chicken, gizzard, chicken feet, chicken neck, and chicken liver for those special family meals, buffets, picnics, funerals, and all restaurants. Get Boris Beef's Chicken. It's halal, so everybody can enjoy. Wherever you are, call Boris Beef's Farms hotline 05-444-444-53. Ask for our branch that is closest to you and come get your chicken. Boris Beef's Chicken, BBC, proudly a Fiakoko.
Da na minya Royal Foam mattress no. How the brain na me komu. Meda mpano sueni na atom. Na me chika seso na me honam nyina ya me ya. Na de kome kra ne se. Ya no mo so beda aso ape. Na wagya me. Na minya Royal Foam mattress no. Pa kwesi da aso ape. E na oya me ho ade. Congratulations dear. Me fa no kwa. Asedan koma Royal Foam. Quality mattress papa fi. Oji aware Royal Foam. What manami relaxation aye de. I want to swear we know woman say Royal Foam mattress aye papa. Eche aye quilted mattress in tea. Woda soa ama wona ya foam. Say what mattress free Royal Foam a. Get free pillows. Royal Foam aje abasobode e 12 Ghana Business and Financial Excellence Awards no mu. Yet on quality duvets, curtains, beds, ni carpentry foams ahodo nyina bi. Hwehwe yen wo Royal Foam showrooms any sales depots a ewo Ghana fananyina. Fre 020-227-1000. Royal Foam, rest assured.
Welcome to St. Andrews SHS. I am grade A private SHS. Yeah, SHS courses in general art, science, business, no waka kahun. Ever St. Andrews SHS oh yeah, dinner ever pass. O send one teachers na. Wash a wando, discipline, no first one was yati. St. Andrews Riviera Waha, supermarket, sick bay, barber shop, swimming pool, FM station, constant water supply and electricity. Admission room kono, Hurricane Abate, Pico from say, Warrington from our SHS 1, 2, and 3. St. Andrews SHS, what branches Big Piano Wagana. Sapade Paso Asia, St. Andrews, Saboko Schoola, go school over Ama Paso Wasi one time. St. Andrews SHS.
Our clean
clean water tanks. Water, which is rich with natural minerals, sourced from over 100 meters underground, is taken through purification, where our highly skilled personnel, equipped with the modern state-of-the-art laboratory, run gold standard tests to ensure that purity is 100%. Because at Obibini Blackman Company Limited, quality is our hallmark. Bottling continues immediately in a clean and hygienic environment approved by the Ghana Food and Drugs Authority, because water is life, but unclean water is definitely no life. After years of research into water purification systems, the result is water that can compete with any other on the international market. Stay healthy and hydrated with the new Zet Natural Mineral Water.
Alright, your bubble dinner, you to us, Michael, Akomia, Jenfi, Nana Jenfi, that transnam and any shall see the deed in command and bois. Now, Niamanda, ye pray to me a farmanti still. Or Queen Sobe journey a Sompa TV Nabwa, Nai Bibiaku ye pay the Amana Sompa Sika promotion and check. Me Barama Babe, me first draw on to Munkan Fangum, star 256 star 3 hash, star 256 star 3 hash, Nabwa, Na Bibiaku yepa, et me edia, my express group Semenka, Mebra no so Cramona, Yabo Modena, ye rumna. Bibia dad now mini express for the fiumbra expert group semen can franchise akunyanaba zobrebo modena wetimi roma manone akwa kusuya de na disuano krebo scholarship e ma fi so no yebetimi asan aboa na yamo akwa kurama manone na wa yedwuma na nema akoye pera ma visa on sense e beboa e ba ne ticket on sense ma yebetimi aboa se ne holidays ana to na woko se Canada, USA, UK, Australia, New Zealand, Afi, Germany ni nyina ye boa na nema akoye pa e da ma international exams tuition and registration no e fa ne IELTS no and Afi SAT no GRE no GM18 no tofo ne de kan no ye reni aboa na Kumasi opomo a Asafo Labor Runabout na Accra orwani enso echemo e wo Kaneshi First Light o nyom tema community 18 Lashibi Gori filling station no obi nyom East Legon omo ben Trinity Theological Seminar and Afi Takra den so no orwani chemo Market Circle Wall Seat Hot Ernesto Fast Food Sunyane omo wo Silver House omo any high court ni di me na Tamale so no Tamale Technical Hospital bi nyom na bibiani omo ben court no form number no 0249 000448 0249 000448 na 0555 550067 0555 550067 na 0508 111 343 0508 111 343 ti amano nkomo de express group na be na ya bo amane de da ma special bedding ko emfa Emma Isaac Kwachi player de ma insuatema bobuku no emre betwam no sina ke de ma brekum Chelsea na utedi no do don afa ni Indomie so happy birthday nkwenfa ma player na nyame shombo na this season target awaseti ama hono emra meza abibi aboko de
nyame adomahwe ni experience Abudia bibi
yemra mu kakre na o de me fine
yes Abudia bi ma yenche etiefo ne mo makwa abanfamra so passport na no pe yeni nkomo kakra eno ayenya akonya hwe the Euros qualification especially for Euro 2024 now ya boy we anesa na teams bi anya akonya atimi qualify for this particular competition as it stands 20 teams are qualify for this particular competition but there is a session of playoffs it's mama group A group B just to let your listeners on metias ye hu no mo matimi qualify no mo mutimi qualify so as it stands out of 8 matches ya boni nyina awi match bi anu onu biem aside playoffs are teams ni bi e woso bokobo ma be che playoffs ni so for group A Spain and Scotland unofficially omanya akonya etimi qualify for the Euros then group B France and the Netherlands unofficially omuso anya akonya se omba ko represent omu nations ewo Euro 2024 group C and group D and so ye be hunu teams and so omatimi qualify for the competition now abu oil list ni teams no ma qualify no be group C group D now he omobebo playoffs in group A group B now Georgia have moved to playoffs obi ntiase said the 18 na Norway to so third Georgia mom na ekọ nanim then obeba ase okakra Republic of Ireland won in chain na se che ne sen Gilberta na se che ne sen then Greece no no eno so ase che ne sen ono so ko playoffs na then ye di ato no ho the tie ne ye say secure down ho a je se wa qualify
say either one say you eliminate you from dada but say any down China automatic playoff qualification.
Oh, okay. Automatic playoff qualification.
You will be one man who automatic playoff qualification. On say any bin that Georgia.
Yes.
It you do as your babbage. It's my group C ni group D. Nas. Then you better see who almost so qualify from that particular group. Moving on to the qualification. Abu, mami moving on. I mean call the rest of the groups. No, na me amenye free has say enfamau. Na ye hunu the way and your city. Where nations so qualify. Germany, Portugal, Belgium, France, Turkey, Scotland, Spain, Austria, England, Hungary, Slovakia, Albania, Denmark, Netherlands, Switzerland, Romania, Serbia, Italy, Czech Republic, and Slovenia. It is 20 teams minus 1, which means host nation in account 20.
Yes.
I was 24. In Tiaka 4 teams.
Babishim.
Now 4 teams, no, the NT and I make group C, group D, Mudia Bass, yen say. South groups, no, Croatia, and Wales, yen unipo qualify.
South group, no.
That is it. It was England, Italy, they are already gone.
Yes.
But Ukraine, so many opportunity for playoffs. But over group D now, Turkey, Croatia, Wales, Armenia and Latvia in Chelsea eliminate you. But X in Chelsea, Croatia won opportunity to qualify for the Euros automatically by so better so second now. And now say automatic qualification for the playoffs. It is omumi number 1. Wales bebo game ne, Croatia bebo game ne. Wales e boy tia Turkey, Croatia bebo tia Armenia.
Oh, okay.
It will be wini biano. It is a Croatia lusune. Now was winning where's the 14 points be qualify. But say was no a draw and only lose na Croatia na maintain and also winning na Croatia so winning. Croatia have gone. Now the entire playoffs no win yam ye partners because when you can we be 21 that means be 3 slots for playoffs. Now playoffs na si chire nie. First na ka playoffs no mo ye ne say UEFA Nations League no mo bono. On see o League A, League B, League C, League D. League A ni asati cho mu League A1, League A2, League A3, League A4. Omo na omo bo wie na so obi atop ni group na ma ba bo semi final. No ma bo final.
Yes.
Asa na omo ye obi. It will be win bia na move you about the next lane. Sa it was groups ni sa. Now this particular time around no ma ye say anka wa be win League A, wa be win League B, wa be win League C. And I rankings na wa be top no. Automatically money train na mo ba be so ama na 24 no. But you see o ma se sanete sa. So ma ye say e wo League A, League B, League C no. You be rank top 4. E wo League A, top 4, e wo League B, top 4, e wo League C. No ma be ball mo playoffs. It's about to say semi-final. Ni ababo final. E wo every single A League A, ni abobo League B, ni abobo League C. To mo be renew wo honi nyina no. No mo na qualify there dey. E aba. It is now scabet my Nations League rankings now in terms of assistants currently on their table because League A obi one more automatically o ma qualify for the Euros.
Oh, okay.
E ba san na kwan be na be fa so abet ma manage no ma so wey League A no medical chem kill the chere X the chere. It is Croatia should qualify tonight. Already the power automatic qualification for playoffs for League A, Poland. I think I was in Croatia. I heard about Kuba Bede. Eba count. Omu nduru 4 no. Omu say 2.
Yes.
But uko PM League B na. League B no omu makubako 5. Israel, Bosnia, Finland, Ukraine, and Iceland. Uko PM C na omu de 4 no masum. It is 4 no one be Georgia, Greece, Kazakhstan, and Luxembourg. It is already pathway now. Georgia, Greece, Kazakhstan and Luxembourg. Omo abebo omo semi-final.
Oh, okay.
It is you better draw Georgia and Greece bebo, Kazakhstan and Luxembourg bebo. Omo be win no ma be share final. No ma body obe win be qualify for Euros. Wafa 1 slot aka 2. Omo mo League B no. E wasi yi baako e de be ka League A ho. Na omo ba ko be ka Ukraine still no so for. So what they do ni say omo ko League D. Baby Estonia mo wono. Then no ma pick Estonia as on the topic group D no and a League D no. No mo de na ba be fa A4 no mo so aso 4.
Oh, okay.
No ma bo mo ho.
Desanity.
It is sanity.
E no na ma sa group na di kan yi no Georgia de na say BB Green bi do.
BB Green bi do mo so. It is opportunity say Georgia so betimi qualify. E beto so it is pathway no League A will do their own. League B be your mo there. It is for pathway ne to so me hwe ade.
E dide na ma nowhere fi musa.
No way there about rankings on winner. No way most of the once I see the ranking the pick is out of 4 no way and to the top 4 ranking. It's in no way. That's why some motor so third Ewo omu group format pure qualification no omu qualify for playoffs. Oh. What I say? So part 2 no say na make seed and say set. Seed and Georgia and Luxembourg na be dey. Then ya Greece ne Kazakhstan. They be winning no ma be share omo ho ase ono moko. Already we have Israel, we have Bosnia. Now you be heard the be see what the other hand side no mo so the omo be join. On say Estonia already is in part A.
Estonia on top.
Yes, it's Poland, Croatia mu nyina wi a. Then no mo so ya any they fix. Almost wa be ball.
Wow.
No matter so no more they qualify. Na no na Abu Dhabi Euros here ye kwa kohwe no. E me say 3 countries bi won me dem suronko kakra o ma qualify e ma ne ye nika. The edi kan ye Albania. Sanke betimi akwa Albania na akwa enjoy the atmosphere after some qualify because almost qualify for Euro 2016.
Yes.
It was the first time in so many years that I've qualified for an official tournament. And then obere how no more atmosphere any time way e time o qualify we to take akra.
C'è una cosa bellissima che ho imparato tanto in Albania. Viene a casa e mangia, a casa nostra, poi sì, qualcosina sì, dopo l'ultimo fischio, ma veramente dopo 9 mesi lavorando ogni giorno, vedi un sogno, è un sogno, questo è un sogno. Sì, io veramente devo viverlo e per quello sono veramente molto contento come tutti voi, tutti noi.
Abu, where is Sivino? For Arsenal Barcelona.
Barcelona and Arsenal want to share winning goal.
I know you Balletti.
Juliano Belletti.
Belletti.
It is Sivino I qualify.
But that's a Champions League final no Bobby.
Obama Barcelona.
Champions League final.
And then we qualify to the Euros. You see, football has a different story that he gives to us all the time. He moves from Brazil, about Europe, but national team men who are what team did not qualify. Then it comes down to Albania. Berisha, Tolan Shaka, Ghana Shaka, Ninu Penino, ono so ono so di ne djuma e de momo. Abarisha susu one mono so, but then he said ono kampo the 2016 Obobi. By this time around no as injuries in your maybe ono so one kakra. But I feel this is an achievement and a feat for them which makes it so much enjoyable. Because of time, Slovenia as well qualify for Euros. Abu Slovenia qualify for Euros and Ocheki Slovenia omu coach ni din there. Matjash Kek.
Slovenia on a you on. Red Kumar for goalkeeper.
Yeah, Jano Black. He's the captain of the team. Player no be shortly after Benjamin Sesko.
Sesko, UEFA president in the crowd.
And I'm say qualification like as a long kaida craft for 24 good years coming in. Afina Slovenia nya opportunity. Slovenia nkasa omunya independence in 1991 1992.
Offshoot of the Balkan War.
Yes. Yeah. You move from Yugoslavia. It's nkasa no, they are not in quotes noted to be one of those power nations when it comes to football. Among them move from Yugoslavia only those nations.
Handanovic.
Sami Andanovic be
Slovenia. Yeah.
And I'm coaching, no. Baby, I will coach a lot. Marable.
NK Marable. That's the start team.
Yes.
Ilicic team.
No one last say na ayi for no we kwa kobo mo fa ho a odi omo chi koso.
Yeah. Ilicic in Atlanta.
We dey mo mi entumi environment kakra.
Football there, they
Football there, let me say last one here we jam on for no. Scotland. Yeah, her video we about a video man kasa officially. Yes, I said it.
We know where we've come from. We've had the highs and the lows.
Oh, there's going to be a VAR check.
We've battled, we've braved, we've battled. You know what? We've been bloody braw and all. Because this isn't a team of I's and me's. This is a team of we. A team of you and us together.
Scotland have picked their moment to strike.
From sunburn in Oslo to getting absolutely soaked at Hampden, you've been with us every step of the way. For the first minute to the last.
It's John McGinn, it's Dykes, it's McGinn!
Because when it's we, we're unbeatable.
McGinn sends it in near post, it comes to Callum McGregor! Opening goal for Scotland! Callum McGregor!
When it's us and you, aye, we can be down, but never out. We know where we've come from, and we know where we're going. We are off to Germany.
Listen to this place! What a hit from Scotland to Germany! All of a sudden, it's the Tartan Army in rapturous celebrations. That is massive!
Abu, what a moment. Goosebumps.
I was in Agume.
Steve Clark.
Agume.
Back to back.
Agume.
We are off to Germany.
Wow.
That is Scotland.
But Irusunom Zen Kofwa Pao. Bimuzo afi no mo hwehwe omo niam a who's for no
Abela wa hwehwe
omo niam a who's nation
ai so that's only back ko left back to
Deutschland ozo connection atem muteneze Deutschland arazela woto Deutschland agoya eto ne
Deutschland Ubalish von der Welt
what the ball fam
ye be jicap we straight me na me catch host and win 2024 we know Carves the trophy ni bawia and
it's almost in that Carvet boss left
inverted left wing back o man chemu yancho
o man chemu yancho
Freddy Manfred Noncho Bruno tactical man Manfred Noncho be no inverted left wing back vertical dimension
Carvet or Brepa
why the first goal match why the share
or Brepa Bishop da bia boko de
you be added
and also Honorable Alexander Nana Abibu
fantastic news for the good
baby
people.
President
for the good people of the DBB
and time constituency Bishop we na da ben about to
me adoma first second and third
oh okay.
And party there ba say into aba tenye second and third dem nsoko sekwa bedu DBB manye yeba
I will see
yeba neba
say ni papa
the X factor
bakwa
the X
factor no makwa mu pa
Alexander Nana Bibio
Yamisha no po
number 1 on the ballot box
number 1
delegate nyame admo edru ha menko hebia to oh it's a quick move Nana Bibio Yamisha Alex happy birthday yeah you wa nyina eh anwo wa say nuanu
pa
na okusu tu yemfo secretary de mu ye enye mu yai na de fe wo ho pa ne se on fair say at TV so na timi fair chair adwenture secretary de mu ye no emwa Alex happy birthday nyame ma ontrase unyinche mehu bia na makai say DBB Presby Park na wa ye no uko school DBB Presby Park no na ya asase kwai we and then wa ye wo ho no first time at Time District in Division 1 club una akofa bai kofa bai abebio nyame shaw many do so yeba na de tumi ama was a constituency.
I don't want interesting thing. There's Saturday na the wife and the bed deal.
A small world.
Na na your money there.
No nipo kan say we mama te.
Why?
I say do.
All like about
the year na down for on the ko supply on here.
It's all holy family or what teach man.
Me hu
the way our kai cha ba be Facebook live.
Ya betch no. Ya betch no. On betch no.
Facebook live.
On betch no. Akosa live band as we yasi ati ato nyina. Ube me Facebook live. Oh, I have Facebook Live. Where be Marco can.
You're not even fine.
Me rather was a PD akwenya de amaya no pe I will be ani endi dwuma no. E cha nya me sure say wanya adaje and I say obre oye ho. Last international break no. The biggest casualty was Robertson.
Yeah.
No, got 3 months. Kwesio and the Bohina. And Rana Michael Casimbi. Anytime be a mekan Santiago Canizares no, ne wa sembia. O se oyi na motu em and a glass ne botwa ne na mo. E twa no no, and ne bi ekwan ma San Ike Kasia.
Abedam no.
So atase. Inti wiase nyame hwehwe mu no. Ne ewo mu no ebeba.
But Kasia so the nsem ni
it was divine. What the Real Madrid here? Yeah,
be all no na Ghana ke make wa je drum.
Me say emre
no pass be Cesar Sanchez in jail.
Fa chotrim senipa. Nyame hwehwe ne mre. Apostle Tony Mensah no PRWC Atomic. And o catch him say your Kratos and your Kairos moment. Now he was explaining so when divinity meets humanity, obedient means stop it.
Oye ho hwe nyi.
Se nyame hwehwe na wa ho boaso a ekwan ne bi aduru mu to no uduru mu bibie
ona akọ no
akwa we de di na chi so mira ne mra so so ko oyi be ye ne den so your course Sunday school mo ka so obi akoda nsuo how many years mfi bibiri baby amanfo san ho no makoto nsuo no
ajoma ya isa no mo ko no da so da ho
na nimre so ye no eni
agene de ko
ba no msi moja tu no mfi bebre onkoye C session wankoye de wankoye bibiduro odo ne nsa ka agenkwa na tat no onyana ya isa okay so when divinity meets humanity there's absolutely nothing you can do about it. Casillas is a big indicator. He is. If you ask him, Emre, nyame na control. Me mo bia ntena baby nka bibi nada. Anti I mean for mummy you know I always tell you. So untimi munipa, untimi ndi you as a name.
Yes.
Say I like untimi independent, you can't respect people.
Uncle Bibia.
Debi.
Or medane.
Because easy.
Medane.
Ene ye ke na china da ho. Charlie. You know, Gavi ya pa ma home list no. Se menya graphic ni bi ma Vini Junior, Son, Holland e Crocodile John weekend born Bobby. Liverpool for no fashion team. Ederson Rodro mu nyina Bobby fashion team. But Gavi ni de ya pa. Me and Madam for Bassett. And I catch him say Gavi too confrontational on the pitch. And I'm say ochere say no say oya akura ni nti na ni jibo ne bo hododo. Baby any say odi ni ti kokra odi be ko. Na say Gavi anya botra say na ni je na gro ne ho no. Na odi ne ho nyina ehwem no it could bring an injury. Nti me say Gavi anya ACL nipa ne ho adwen ba me trim first. Na e Bassett. We only for Vinicius Junior and Camavinga and Real Madrid double blow.
Not them,
and these are not just mere injuries. Months. Time now, yeah, drawn. Real Madrid, say about Champions League, Nigeria, yeah, better draw. Time now, yeah, drawn. Because these two are not there, their chances would come very low. This is a team, this is no at the Omobo. Now, the MA was a list we na yes on po. Because Tottenham are already on the decline. Madison, son Koka Madison wa on Bebrepa.
Yeah.
But Sir Zai Emery, your friend no na PSG players ne no.
Yes.
And ball or ball. And in your Boma national team no so. Any baby idea near Busa crowd with baby okwi and in bedroom. Fofi Antoata o.
Yeah, we
see. Bamu. And I say myself. It's a hard dream. It's difficult, very difficult, but injuries are part of the profession they've taken. Injuries. And right now, we need Jolaka, you didn't come over. You didn't come on. I say, Charlie, Madame Fubia, I'm saying, day. I said, we need to care near the poolside or any bone come on us. You time now, do now, or coffee. and the person is 49 years. Oscar, he's very rich. Between Bonnie Dean Bibinti. Wakra wo. Remember, I could say on send the video be man or say, Odufia, or best send because we're too can run. 10 junction or traffic light there on. I saw red. Wajina. I saw green beam. Unko untu. A month for bonus are being pa na de car na say ana. You a Jan Hoko. And a traffic less also be a month for a car we need see her.
I see watch it.
I don't for the BC for Mamukoya. Tinkaya.
H. Sa.
Aye.
Sa.
Nipada or crown was do your best individual. No plans. Or never be Brabrunia on any Maumube. Officer will be too quiet. Obi down say, Yame Aduma, or Shan the boss said, Drada or Medisi cabin from Rana, you may be out. Nipan de wood.
A family Dinubiaba.
I say,
no, I say not God. I say no title. Only stone by year remis.
Only a moment.
There is no, but Bisto Moka is a Nipana Planene, Sad Chia, Jobaba be new. But I didn't mention that money plans.
What's a plan, baby?
Of course, I don't know, baby. But the plan is who Kardichin.
No, I bet was to say,
but
say,
I didn't mention.
But luckily for these boys, we Gavia, some of them should be available for the Copa America and the European Championship. In two cases, Arabia or France Open Janimoa, Zay Emery Bebano no in the position.
Oh, no, then a court or trim cry.
Kamavinga France in Tinis or Bebana, same way, they are Mujis or Munden the Beko. Key would the orbit mark out you and the woman.
That place you move crown. The Vinicius Prakobe no yan form. Afina Wafa. Kamavinga. Afina yo. Afina form noble. Okay.
Okay, football na sem kadie. Yeah, power, but then it is what it is.
I got video na me ya. Bishop Akra who head out.
When exactly.
Jude Bellingham na no man really we no. Only Jude Bellingham. Say ba ku be Benzema he kura wale political. And now hard is
maybe all the number so it's all good. Obi a qualify and they were qualified the Nigeria Besha Bakumemu no the Squadra Azzurri. Na Italy are in crisis. Okay, betting sensem chacha we be do we knew and I we could do we chacha waha and I we do we chacha waha and I me do chacha waha me do sa me do FC and ra oma qualify omuni
chacha for them muze na bi mu bo bia
na e jam fa bed to my to that quite the teacher
ujira wa boli
yeah o that trouble I heard that tournament to qualify the crowd one bobi omuni Ukraine ball 0-0 normally Italy for 2-1 term no with passion until hu ya and right bomb match no Italy for you to antemi now here when ni se ne omusi ye omo koba now here Donnarumma the cashman Donnarumma man do all ye ne die Inter midfielder on so ye ne die obia ye ne die like they really wanted it and come on winning is contingent on one thing K Italy omo defending champions
yes
omo 2-time champions. After someone missing out 1992 Sweden near Denmark Italy has not missed out on any European championship again. Into defending champions and come behind me and park with Nefi in Kabehadrin. Oma qualify. It's a good thing. But the bigger problem for Italy going into this competition and they say I said Munumkumbi Kata almost. I don't want some now okay. There is a cloud of uncertainty surrounding Italian football currently, and it is something they would need in the tournament. Italy say omoko ahunye here mo sabre no mo chire bibi. Okay, it's an early shout, but if the dynamics of natural law is anything to go by, say a Chibaku mienu aso for Chacha, Italy will be favorites and they could win the tournament because they are playing in Germany too. Of course.
Had you watched me about 2000?
Of course. Last time I'm Omokoye with uncertainty behind them. Omokoye trophy no. Chacha siya Calciopoli.
Chacha siya
Calciopoli. And Spalletti. One of the early leader of team with delegations is
why?
Buffon.
Oh, okay.
Look, the dynamics are so there. The parallels. SSA. I want the team. The need team one holding sir. So but let's go back. The SSA Dodo, a year before the European Championship, just like the World Cup, an Italian team had lost the Champions League final to an English team in a game they feel they could have won because of more chances near there. The turmoil in Italian football, a bear fuel at the amount crowd.
The Chacha no one said this is Juve the Empire.
It could be fuel because the parallels are way too much. It's an early shout prediction from me.
We know the only thing the woman done is it. That's quite nice. Or do a mobile in our bubble Italy, but we been for in this room.
Yeah, we know only about thing. My friend say
2006 for. No, I won't talk about crowd. No, we now Italy.
Omo be could this someone. A share no. Omodi USA no. Or share ongo bi.
Or say De Rossi
na share. Na De Rossi dey red card no. But I defend the share no. Zach I like the only goal we consider the tournament now until yeah mo pema me.
Me pama.
So go group stage no. Omo share 2-0.
Omo share 2.
And omo share check. Omo ni US ball draw. Mo pema say that was the yeah 1-1.
Omo US ball draw.
Ongo na Italy share. To Abinyama be da say. Bon no mo ko ball Austria ho no.
Bishop.
Yeah.
Me bafia why my apostle bra membre no. Bon komo bi dini we ya. Ba Italy we ni the other mo hwe na mo pema me. E ba na wa bom no ba be hwe ama me. We ma dwen be kai me a. And there's a squad normal about 2006 no mo nyina local boys. Ana
no it's very doable.
We na history now man. The only say we only say we are more foreign players.
Geladino. And the thing that is Zakadu.
No Palermo.
No fee. Almost squad ni no mo de by Italy. Unless the World Cup for no ma gini na no. E be say so much World Cup no for.
Yeah.
Ni no mo de ayu.
Oh,
ni na ba kura no foreign player bia o.
National team league.
No, say league no mo to.
Their league are
not big teams no crowd the foreigners na e ball. Omo league ni the apostle brother remember ne corner yento aso ni ndidi nkomo ne ade a and omo say omo one player bi no obo Inter Milan or correct card for ba akura no obo qualifier
e bi omo qualifier
David ono mbo wi a ayimu de tie club te de ni bi no obo wi a major tournament na akomia be ginam we had good say pb be show penny di ama ezo obo correct card for ba akura no obo qualifier
Begomi
onwa the same Begomi onwa akomia Inter for legend no correct card for ba kure no obo qualifier Italy dey ose tai clam te dey ni bia na call yi be hu no groma ade cho be kwa afon bishop ana
yeah them na say te be no
21st get exam count Jose bra na bra be roma wo maso ye ne mbo na ne man ko ye pen fama na dem siatika ho nkomo de nunyante 21st keneka eye omo a ena aboa man to tiera ko ye pa etimi edi ama na mu nkomo no de ye papa ni nyina ne ze siate ke ma me papa ma trans ama mo to asinti no atwetwemu ama no nante awbre 21st ne be ne aboa na masa na fio ya no fruti su ba besiu na se o mehwe na ya aboa na tutu na koyi peda mo lab kese a ye doso wa hwe bibia ye ne hye abomoden etimi etu ana mo na scan services no ekoso massage na maka Friday bia after work to fa ho na gene emboa na bibia ande da yesu no entimi emfama na ne ma enkoyi more than 15 branches Ghana bibia omo ebo ejuma Kumasi Arion overseas junction on Bena Free Radio Obuasi Council Cortes Core Junction bi amakra do me market nyom sunyane enkranza techiman bibia ye ejuma okoso a ye bemmo abibidru a ejinejina mu pebe na yi ha oni nyina efio akofo fi amano ne ba oti Ghana na wo ha bia for number 0249 311 0249 311 afi 0540 311 0540 311 ne mbwana ne mandade apozo na bibia aboko de
bibia aboko
o mati bibia
mati o that jamase na buy na ja o ma me exclusive expose about bia anti no media show until obia banza de
obe free officer so wa go use le kala so so abeke kai ka mu se mi ni mu secret nyina o
zisia obe sign
ono se waja tu so ye
oye den
ba mu
oye den
o oto anamopa
ba ye de
mo de aza mu jintum
o sa
aha
nti family abi bre ba kakre
o kada fo nyina be mu
Okada 4.
Okada be 3 hours, but I know the chair come as
Okada 3 hours.
No, see you to.
Teach man.
Obe teach. Hey, that's about board.
Hey, sir. Okay, we have a carry there.
And I'm sure, sir, Ghana for Nigeria because of the game Mali boy against South African Republic. But trust me, clearly the Central African Republic team, no, in as much as we are happy about the draw, MacArthur said there'll be a lot of surprises. We should be mindful of the game today. But the Malian team did very well. But they came up against a team that played 4 defenders and 5 midfielders and 1 attacker. And the only chance Amunya Balboba, wonderful counter-attacking pass or Geoffrey Kondogbia. And don't forget that was just 3 minutes after the goal was scored by Kambori Doumbia. Now, clearly, Coach Minimnia Hano, but you played against Chad. You won by 3-1. Obo, a midfield that I thought was stronger than this midfield. Obo, you decided to play Ali Odieng. Obo, Sheikh Dukuri. Obo, new talented young Obo Mohamed Kamara.
Yes.
2 years that game, Mohamed Kamara shall go. Then in this game, we decided so because players nebu and Obo Lassana Kolibala on the left, Obo Amadou Haidara on middle, and we decided say for the first time in a long while, Amadou Haidara any used the same M-ball in all matches M-ball as a pair. He decided to play that because, like I said, our luxury. But in fact, what happened yesterday? A Central African Republic side led by their captain, of course, Kondogbia SFM. I mean, he played so well and had a good partner in Brad Thomas. Look, Carl Namanganda, okay, go now share again Nigeria, or Lagos, you know. And now Ambo Nimo, they were all defend.
Obunyi defend.
Yes. And so Enra, Ibrahima Sissoko is their new Chad or share the third goal is their new sensational striker. All three too much Ibrahima Kone Ambo. Kone Ambo. He Musa Jenepo Ambo. He is the one leading the attack now. Enra, he was just a passenger because they neutralized the midfield. No difficult for Mali to operate. Adam Traore or Trin Mfa, Lassina Kolibala or Trin Mfa, Musa Doumbia who played out from or Trin Mfa. So they came up against Coach Roy Savoy, tactically disciplined, organized side, and then also almost like a creativity in midfield. And the creativity was not coming. Amadou Haidara is a defensive midfielder. Bisuma defensive midfielder. So why are you going to get a creativity? Lassini Kolibala, onye that creative is a good passer of the ball, onye intelligent, quick, ultimately taking on players. So clearly, the Malians really, and they didn't do too much to win a game. And that will come to later as to how we'll take advantage of that. We should be mindful of the fact that this group, Madagascar share 3. No, Madagascar, Wahano, they could have beaten us 2-0 first half.
Yes.
Don't forget, we'll go to Madagascar to go and play them. Omania 3 points. Confidence is there for them, any belief. So interesting time ahead. But Mali team, no, team way Adebia Meka from 2019 they've been disappointing because last year Capon Afcon there's some pick up, but team Nankasa be disappointing. They have talent individually, but as a team they've been poor. 6 years down the lane, and a Mali team. But it doesn't mean that on a good day they cannot play well. But so far they have been disappointed.
And on from funny thing, coach no more
but from day one I've said the coach. Wajama Suguba, no Peja under 17 and 24 on the start is say or do come up one team we now go away.
You one crown on match say. On match musical 5 and 17 World Cup. Look,
they have Mali under 17 and 20 saw them. Yes. They are very good side. But Adia M1s to see a coaching.
But me kai last time I'm on a download mo coach. Bishop no who Bruni be apostle. Bruni owe.
No
France.
No.
I'm only born.
I don't know where it's now.
Or Timmy am ba man.
So young. So
no France.
No ni born no
their development is better than ours. Progression is better. But Omo Dushroa, the national team, they should try and get quality coach. I'm local coaches. I'm local coaches to say I'm bibia. What they say. So they should get top because players all their players are in Europe. Jiggy Diarra now or younger. All of them are in Europe. So you need to get coaches somewhere to better handle and teach them a lot of things. Local, coaches training methods cry or FEMA, they laugh. Ghana, they will suffer the same thing in the past. So now Egypt clearly on my statement and we share group now. Clearly Egypt I statement Burkina Faso and I bet me Egypt kakra. So this is their group. But I don't say Guinea-Bissau epic 4 points. Yes. Guinea-Bissau any Burkina 1-1 and then they beat Djibouti. But trust me, Egypt will destroy everybody.
Group will not be you.
Look, baller on my boss so far. And against Leon, if you want the game that they've played, yeah, forget about the fact that Iba Kalba and your red card, and then also Sef Funan and your red card. But they had 1 red card by 92nd minute Kabadian. They play so well. Now, Niari Victoria, and say, sure, mo game against Djibouti because they moved out. So we decided to use the proper team back four that we have. Tion Omar Kama, Ebo Raiba. Once I've got Omar Kama and Ebo Raiba, Ahmed Fetu. So the full backs, we use them. And then decided say, Obe Yuzi, young Mohamed Shemi. Shemi a pyramid center back or a young talented center back. Now, on say, you see, I say Ibrahim or Ali no inviting you. The only person I hear constant or Mohamed Abdul Munem. Until or testy, so he Munem and Shemibo. But in fifth, you know, Mohamed El Neni is back and stronger like he used to do. So is Mohamed El Neni any Marawan Atia, the young sensational Ali defensive midfielder, no? And Ahmed El Said Zico, Zamalek, left winger, no, Ebo central midfield. And aboard the front three, Salah on the left, Umar Mamouche on the right, and Mustafa Mohamed. But who shared the game against Leona? He decided that Obeyuzi Hani Mohamed Ali, right back, and then Mohamed Hamdi pyramid left back, and Ali Gaba see a pyramid center back. So what he's doing is that we'll try the first set, which on any day difficult game. Now he's trying to look at the other options available to him in my situation. And Mohamed Abdul Munem the constant. Then Hamdi Fati, see I say now Amre Solaya. Upright now Hamdi Fati starts, but Mohamed El Neni Ahmed El Said constant. The game against Djibouti, Mahmoud Hassan Trezeguet go. In this game, we're dropping Omar Mamouche, Eddie, Mahmoud Hassan Trezeguet, boy. Trezeguet brace. What that means is that there's Omar Mamouche and Omar Mamouche is not scoring. And Trezeguet is having a wonderful partnership with Mo Salah. And second game, Mo Salah Bobopa. But this Djibouti did not share for, but this one, he was more of a creative player. This team, like I told in AFCON, they are going to be very troublesome. They play compound when they want to play.
By the way, Ebe Shaw, man.
What's the name?
So we Ebe Shaw.
Masa, please.
Bishop Nana didn't come over with Jabe Dan.
Bishop, I mean, on
then what? Now we are second for the Ebe Tibia. Second tactics now, you never bought Madagascar. You be shitty, second half. Hey, yeah, we are Timu Fuzo, my
Uncle for no be hard drink. Ivory Stone. The coach is doing well. Droppy Bay, I don't think we ever maybe Ebiobe Trumpet, but Bay Samondeli out.
Could you work Gambia?
Yes, 2-0. Yes. Maza, look. Just a minute now we have. Look, what is doing that danger? Who say Omoni Seychelles 9 or decided so is he at that for Simon Adingra as a right wing back, and Jeremy Boga left wing back. So you use Sergio Ori right side center back, Ivan Indika central center back, and on other side say
Ivan Indika Bomako.
Ivan Indika
and Willy Boli. And then Willy Boli left side center back. Yes. Now this year near cry who say in midfield now Wadobi Shem Michel Seri. And now using Ibrahim Sangari, Frank Kessie and Sekou Fofana. And those are two games Sekou Fofana played. And as a Siano, what he's doing is Sebastian Karim Konate, Salzburg. He's Perry Konate and Sebastian Heller. Now second game he decided to misbehave in the sense of what lost as Christian Kwame.
Italy.
Christian
Kwame.
Kwame.
Ivory Coast for
Hamed Traore.
Say enya post no be do won come low key omu team no betima defend the title no.
Adamu.
Omu.
Other they have a quality. But now Willy Bole and Van Dijk is playing the centre back.
Omasa akwakofa
the only goal
abakofa keeper papa.
Yeah, Fofana. On him dapa. Yeah.
Kofa France for keeper bia.
Now in all this, Winfrey Zaha on board match bia. Masgreda has not even played a 2 game. Masgreda, Maswell Connect, he's not played any game. Nicholas will be none of them. They've not even participated in the 2 games. Yeah.
About so much why AC na yem hihie ba Black Stars de minim de bit my tienye hu kra. Opan na last half
Achinti mi kopi omo so Japoma ho. Me kai players na no mo sadan. Eni dia wo ka sisi this AFCON your boy de no azim.
Ivory Coast team dia
madwin ko so
kra na ana kwa we no so wo form adingra no.
No only Bobo.
No.
Onimbobo. Adinga okroma mi hu.
Tam na no wa.
Mi hu.
Ombe hadwen AFCON ombe hadwen.
No, and omo say hosti. Omo jibi.
Ombe tima joma de.
Ne de.
Oye nya juma keto
akra. Played Omar Koli, Boubacar Sane.
It's good to go was 6 points.
Yeah, they have 6 points.
6 points.
Egypt have 6 points. Algeria have 6 points. Difference no quality
oh can is
they make can is a quality no.
So Algeria
and also quality ba ko so be.
Algeria ko away ko.
And also Ghana ko 6 points. Quality no bia be no ama. Bia hu se kwa. Awome amra so de o ka bia yemfa. Oban gazi akwa ba. Bibia boko de. Blasters quality no bia be hu.
Bia kama.
Hey na Chrisutin. Sa ya money to jana minim so ni madwa sa. Chrisutin. Oye too much. Oye too much. Only madwa. Last chance set up yedi kobakra
abu yes ya chietiefo nyina ne ahwefo nyina na ye mo makwa ba emra last chance ba center na akwanya wanya ni se wote enka ene anopai na ye ba ya etiawa ye de aduro e de abadwa so a aduro no dwumadi a edi no ano odin na ano nso ehye na aduro no din eye obofo heba mesha OBO4 obofo heba mesha eno ene adura last chance heba ye de abadwa so a nei dodo no agya tum na omuguso a omo enom na ebo de gisem ne se aduro ye adura se de bia beka no eyi ntini mu adwuma enti efi ene niema bia ehia ewo nipaduanum no entimi entinem efi se enam entinum a eye entinum adwuma no na efi bia no eye afi nipaduanum enti onom no na ade bia ye efi wo nipaduanum bia na eyi ni nyina efa sabe wagyanan ojonso ene mfifra eti mu na tambia no wunya ahoden ekọ eba eno ntime ne okasai obi a sisiyare wo no so obi a ne honam taye de ya obi a na to aseta adwetwe no obi a ne ntinum taye etwetwe no ne ntinum taye de ya no wunya eye obofo eba meche ni bi no no a na edegi abafie na wodi adanse dan da ye sha ase se obofo eba mecha ye bo ho de roma amanfo ne atiefo ne ahwefo do no a sha ase omo no no dodo no na edi ho adanse obi wo ho no a oto obofo eba mecha ni bi obenom no na ebia o typhoid na typhoid no na ekọ malaria na won so na ekọ obi de last 2 weeks obi frɛ ya wose wonom bottle miensa na wonom bottle miensa no na o diabetes okoye no omo se eba form ba yesre eje diabetes aduro yesre mu FDA age atumu se eyintinimu adwuma na eboa typhoid eboa malaria enti se wonom na ebia namu yade wo so gonorrhea na syphilis na yade wo so na se ekọ a eye bonus ebia wo pressure na pressure na eba form a eye bonus evi se adanse die bebre na ahyase a eba se obi onom ye na ne pressure wo soro pressure na aba form a eguso a eba form a eba normal e de ema no a oguso a onom obi onom a diabetes wo no so okọ cheke ye no ye se niema ahyase esesa ewo nipadua no mu obi onom a enamu yade nketenkete ta ye gonorrhea na syphilis no onom ye na ase wo hu changes bi ni ade den so ye nkase eye obofo eba mecha no edwumadi a edi no onom na wunya saa niema no a eye bonus ena wanya tiefo nhye ne so efise nam se eye ntinum adwuma ne hohoro enipadua no mu hohoro ntinum yi fi bia fi mu no emma yade entena nipadua no ma yade entena ntinum mu nti wonom na saa ne mani nyina akọ a me pa acho na ade aseda ma nyankopon na ade aseda de ama obofo heba mecha edwa so be bia wokọ aduro benya bi no atimi anom obi ho no ma wo ye adwuma bonse obekọ fie no ayese de ya bono no wa bre
obi wo hon mentitru ni adobafo no obe drive obekọ obeba o change ano wo yese o shoot up gate o ye we ni nyina no obedu fie no obeka sa ya bo no ayese nkontom redi akaja wa ye mre wonya duru fie ha ho bo modena sanka obofo e ba mecha wo hyase na ono no mo ade be che no wonya ahoden wate ese kinken obi wo hon ma abu ena ho ye ne den papa wo tie yen na wo ye obi ena ho ye odin wo de 2-3 hours no ani ate anadwomu no nyina no ntimi ena biem no wo TV ho be TV sa no dada ne mpaebo eye sa na adwobe so da bo mpae na mmom de duduo bia no ya na mfomso
ewu to za agree
ebe ha adwene ebe kun enu nti bo moden na won sanka obofo he ba mecha wo be sha ase na anonom no ebe mu wotimi yedidi ebe mu wotimi ada nyese didi a wodidi moroso amoye kese moroso na mmom obekeni wait normal na won so wanyi ho ode no wakọ na wakọ onwuma so no aba mo amuye gya ho adwuma mo amuja traffic mu ton ade edwumfo ma obi bia timi nom obofo heba mesha obi timi frɛ bia doc bia me yare diabetes me da duro so a me nom brofo duro metimi anom ana yensu kwan wotimi enom eka ho ma yade no enso etimi ekɔ ma wonso nyiwa somdwie obi eye ade a 2-3 days ebi okura 1 week 2 weeks bia no otuti malaria 2 weeks 1 week bia otuti malaria mesrew bo modern na ko check typhoid if it's a typhoid ne malaria hu sunsanso esepa ebu wan hwe ya de ne sade ne be wi achi no na akofo sunsanso kese e dia bro if it's a malaria and typhoid no e ba wo so a wonu mutimi to enya de se onya aduane a wutimi di na anti aduane de wutimi se ehuhuru aba no wonko na awode wo awa aba no wonko na ehuhuru de wo e ma wo yemre waposo yemre wutimi efefe wo fe rough ni nyina aye sunsanso a ya de se malaria na typhoid edeba uti etimi pai utitimi ye oyasa ni nyina se hu sa sunsanso we nyina no a me pa chobo moden se won sabe kan obofo e ba me hya no hya se no nom ye nkrabata na edos be bia benya bia to enye na kumase wudo ni chire pharmacy ni chemical shop bia ubenya obofo e ba me hya ne bi na watimi ato okọ gos ubenya bi okọ takwa okọ Cape Coast bogoso ni nyina no okọ enye na ubenya bi na nso etimi ato ye numbers no eye 0574 353 707
707
0574 353 707 na 0531 541 755 0531 541 755 any numbers are offering question bia person bu se bia no ye benya ntobo ase ne wadi ho enkomo ni a kire ba bia ben wo a obenya duru ni bi na nso otimi ato no wanyi wapomoden enam se duru ye ntini adwuma se de maka no yade bia ne ho no betima tene ni pedua mu eno nti da bia ye ka se wo nom no a wohuru mogya no mu nenam ntini mu ntintimi ye adwuma yi no na eboa mo wapomoden so etimi agya na so ye obi etie yan sisi a me no ka sei oho no ma wonya vibration e wo ni pedua no mu e bia ne nsa ho ne nan ho bi ho no ma nani achi bonse na ewoso sa na eme ni nyina na se wanhwe na won san kan obofo e ba meche ni bi no ono no mu a didimu se na kofo ha okese etimi e dia brewu ni pedua no na ebe kan wo e dia to no mu doctor for me ati say stroke dodo no a e be ni pedua no mu ba yansu nyina no dodo no aye mogya no ya na ntimi ni afurisa ni yiye no e de ntubo se won san na ebe hya ase adwojo ona ebe hya ase adwojo entra ho wo bra obofo e ba meche eye nubna ene eye nuanhini haban eni aka bom adi aye ewuduro ne preservative bia enimu eye natural no a na onom no na etimi ebo no entra wo bra obofo eba mecha abadwa so no bomode kope bi nenom bonse be yi sa ha oni nyina de afiri ho na wonso etimi anyi wa ho oden no etimi akọ nyuma so no akọ no aba da bia meka enipa wote ase kra na yemfa se kan kan ya de enkan won to ho no kra no apomuden etesen na ye de se kan ebe kan na se ye do ba beto duro so na banum aduro won kwa na nyina ye woni pa duro no ho no yedi obofo heba mesa ho dance kire no wamfa ne serious wampe bia nom eno nam so am yede wato aduro so a bomode na 1 cm bi ne nom wanhwe yi a wo de sa obanum aduro sa kopem se bia be flat as for asase so e bia meka sa ka 30 or 40 years so ampa se wo ba beda aduro so abanum aduro a kopem so be wu ana be ba cho entena ho ema sa de we ento wo bra obofo heba mecha e de aba da bia meka opanyina nam ne nsa so a yensa e ka ye obofo heba mecha de ba adwa so yi no oye obi a ne mfie ko animu obru 80 plus nanso so no ohunu a obeba ne 50-60 years enam say edrowe no nyankopon ede a che no enduro a eba edwa so no obi wo ho no ma osua
obi won so natural nyankopon e de ache no papa we e obi a nyankopon e de ache no eno ntida bia me kan se obofo e ba me cha wo no mo a kwa bi so no e anti aging evi so panyina enam ne nsa so e de duro we ba no ohwani mfie na duro no onfa ni agro ota eno no mu nti no umu a bia so e young eno nti no ye be ka se one way or the other e anti aging na emum ye mo ho de duro se ye anti aging na emum onom no na e boa na ematem bia no uluku young tembia no unyi pomuden ye wonkofo bebrae ne won foka ebi wo hono mu a ofro no timi se obre wosi a obre mese o ma sanka obofo e ba me shawate na sha ase na enonom obo se tambia na entini no mogedi mu afrisane no na entini enya ahoden wanya ne sa no anu numbi na odi misisi yade yi eno ana ebekun so ampa obra ye obofo e ba me sha ho na so mpebi no nom enam sisi ne no ana ebekumi o enam yefu yade no ana ebekumi o enam malaria ne no ana ebekumi typhoid no ana ebekumi wo de decide de say ebekun so ampa entena ho e mani nku obra last chance e ba center de obofo he ba me sha e de abadwa so ba bia benya bia to edo ne bo enye den wo tena ho ama ne 30 cedis 40 cedis 50 cedis nti ne ye ro ba betrodu so akogbo e kakase entena ho e masa e hawo no e ma obra last chance e by de obofo e ba mesha e de abadwa so bomoden epebi nonom enye na pharmacy ni herbal shop bia no wo kwa obenya bi na so watimi ato na wanonom no watimi aboa the numbers no e 0574 353 707 0574 353 707 na 0531 541 755 0531 541 755 the numbers no free last chance herbal center akwanya wenya no ye twato no enie se wate yenka obofo eba mesha ebu pebinunom na emoa o medase
mate hetia no ye come ye kokuku no last chance o maso ye ti obofo heba mr kwa so pedu na for da ho no na ejuma ebo no nyaare keto akra me kwaba me ba Sompa sika promotion me first draw no star 256*3# star 256*3# oba utwanku abedi ntimu ntwangu me ba be draw me damo me ba pe ye tia sina fi sem na to aso amamo.
To win your share of up to 10 million Ghana cedis in prizes with Betway's Scratch and Win. You can earn your first scratch card by playing table games, slots, or quick games. Scratch and reveal a range of exciting prizes from smartphones to fuel vouchers and more. Visit www.betway.com.gh. Terms and conditions apply. Regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. No under 18. Bet responsibly. Betway. Bet your way.
Sompa Achedie. Yaba. Sompa Achedie. 2023. Bible say, Nyame Sompa Pani say, Ubi ko nyanka, eni erisia mobo. Enuti na Sompa 93.1 Kumase. Sompa 90.7 Nkransa. Sompa 98.9 Sunyane. Yakabom. Sebronye, yebema enisia. Eni ekrafo, edidi. Na yankuwa yetini, ajise obebuayen. Enti se yesika, fatu my true face 0598-559802 meeting beam 0598-559802 edi also yeta one media brana bosome ni let us went you ba ko ni bebo ja trada na dia mo de dum ye no ye dia ma ekuna na me say akere ku na me say Sompa Fadi Amuye. When you go to some swap, if you said Yamuye, just a big seat. I'm never like now for any Yanka, any bonus. Oh, we need me. John the Glass say, oh, we need you. You're going to be different. And so, what the money at the man, everybody wants some. But I'll see your who perform. Everybody will be sure. Some who perform. Everybody, someone who is someone who can say, I perform so well, can say, amen.
They sika, they Sumasua, who bet me the Abba. A fence to say, near maybe answer ye, to say more, any and one swa, Yebeji. More ye be a fear chairmono, and what answer dear, Muamunim, Sompa Atsedia, 2023, Abusia 4, Yafaya Wishim, na proposi prepa word Poncomu, Yanyan Copon, obey ye, Sompa Atsedia, 2023, Ekuna 4, and Yankaneso, one petit.
Hey, Sewa, me watch you. Me nanu me bisa cry so kwa brochu.
Kwaku, afei na mebeko. Na nkrata krani.
Hey, ani me ma connection man for den kofo sika dwane ne wanya otu adidi musa no.
Oh, Express Group adornment. Akwanto aye for. Opese otu kwan kosua de a. Express Group do be call mind me to say Canada, US, Australia, UK, any Germany. Say e to ana say visiting so a. Express Group do be call Dubai, Canada, US, Australia, any Germany. Mo amopese motu kwan koye adwuma nso. Obetimi de wako Dubai, Qatar, and South Korea. If you also want to take international tests like SAT, IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, GMAT, they can help you pass easily. They can also help you secure a good job in the UK. You should make sure you Kumasi, Asafule Roundabout Accra so Omo Carnation First Light, Tema Omo Community 18 Lashabi Girl Filling Station. For more Ahmad for ISO 055-555-0067 and 0249-000448.
The ones that now from toothbrush no. Why and toothbrush no. You Ashford.
Nah, you Ashford dear. That's so evident no way.
Who that the evidence babe? I don't need Ashford toothbrush.
Oh sweetheart, Ashford toothbrushes no. You want the different types. Share Abena de Amokubi, Ashford Princess, and our brother could do so Ashford Galaxy. Would you know Iran so Ashford Evident? Media so Ashford Executive, and now Media no so Ashford Friendly.
Without Ashford toothbrush card.
My dear, Ashford toothbrushes are who do dear. Eya papa, eya moto. Ne to me bow do domi ye dani bia akwashisha ho. Ashford Prince, Ashford Princess, Ashford Friendly, Ashford Evident, Ashford Executive, ne Ashford Galaxy toothbrushes. Eya Fibo Ventures na akwa fabe daso. It's 0241 545 646 and 0200 600 934. Ashford toothbrushes. They will soon need.
November to remember. So we have food for thought near November. And your faith anniversary and the Liberty Conference. November edition. On to me you free. Oh my ya edu watch and we April on Yamia Manitu. Our food for thought to 14 November. Liberty Conference. Pass on Yamini Mwadini and Fishen. Samoa Yakasa or Yefri Yohani Adi. Said Yolubako. Chichemusia. Revelation chapter 21 verse 6. Or say it is down. Jimajina Babasu Kumasi Park and no no watch 25th November. I am in Aju Tufonie. Ola SK Ola Kwakujes F.A. Gray Sandy Asaris and a resident minister Kwame Cheto Peto Chum Amanyame Ukom Otifia the metaphor 25th November Liberty Conference na Onyankro Pontry as the good section Kankania or Danis Obish no Bekach now say it is done. Oh glory glory glory.
Alright, ya momo de na yetibia simina afa afisi enu ramu kama pa etimi erfa emanamom Sompa sika promotion e chemeba na mababa me first journal na aboa mane makoye pere ama the Royal Foam mattress onjori akọ na kokojibini has a Royal Foam Ghana Limited na abomoden e di the Royal Foam mattress na ba ababa be rama ne nkofo guso mo topa ni na ene so to eche na foda so a me konye me ya machie me ya ne sa haw no nyina e ya de no so no efimu wato no ye tro sumnye pa beda so afa adwempa era babra papa na boa na de so no de wo ye no niema akue da mamu djuma panti omo bo modern etimi enya awards awodo na niema ko ye per mamu 20th anniversary mo 242 eno ye 16th Ashanti Business Excellence Award ye bo modern mamu good award nya no kon 12 Ghana Business and Financial Services Excellence Award no ye sign emom award de na afi de akono pa enso ene se ene uramu ewo omo na che so omo premises so factory premises so omo de ultra modern showroom bi aba ne me wom no no edin curtains na pe zene beds awodo na no ope na che se ne no mattress no size bi a ye boana nsa ka bi kunwa awodo na obenye bi nturu woni chema sokoro mampono fiwa na ko CCC jumadi omudi no no efe ko na koko ebi na so no tobi omo number no 0202 271000 0202 271000 franco a ngebe ne en wadi nkomo na sere nhye ne tie no eremedi ama Royal Foam Rest Assured na ne ma de din Sompa achede no ya bie ya pono to ye gusoje ze na nyina be kan bom ne yaboa ye maame mo omo kunu ma fi mejo omo ye duaruma ne no omo maame ne omo papa ne fi medi jo omo no ya na Esmas ni dua reho no doso dodo enisi ye ma ne yesa e wose ye nyina kan bom ne yaboa na omo nso no omo nije na omo ni nya toton e ba ne sa ya na e ha adwen kakra dizen ne no o ebi ti se mo anwa na bayetin tomato sardine milo ana biscuit no o de baba brama e beje ne nso no ye timi adawase nya no nko ebi ti se ntade ntema ana mpo school bag ana books pen bed sheet ana se shoe ahodo na any toothbrushes ni toothpaste ahodo na ana seminar eno nso de beje na ya bomode na ye timi adawase me ka ho asemi no wani be so nso de kakra beba na odi ababe boana jumadi no krabe zansa fi etwa mu nkofo ye no edi adanse e po bi peba na ayedin but odo no ba be hwemu Sompa chere na boa abie kwan ne de ama no obi nso no no piska ye juma ne keturis ya wagide ato odi be hwemu no aboa ma na nya bebre ti fa namba yi ketu abie nso a odi ba nya mi be hwiao na aka wasefo nyina namba no 0598 559 802 0598 559 802 o send the beba no Taiwan Media ana Blessed Foster edi beba no Taiwan Media ana Blessed Foster edi aboye na niema enko ye kama pa so no entimi emfa emo masda ne bi so no entimi enko emfa ma ene orwani chema na jese True Words product o ma bomoden etimi edi nupa hodo na abidwama so ana ejin kofo pa bako True Words Vision Capsules no na Vision Capsules ne ze nete na esi weni so na yo hwan ni ewa na pruso niema nhyera nko bonze wani na pai na aye kwa obomode nya True Words Vision Capsules ni bi na agba eboa na isa ha nyina efi omo na abomode etimi edi Prosty Live Capsules no abababira na Prosty Live no ya de abedi ama ye mema no na se nete odwonso obre avezu bebi adwonso mu apai avezu no dwonso no ewa ya na account ato so na so prostitute no eho ya kan na de beboa na so ano a ye konkofa bibia amfanto bemam no True Words mundo omode aba de friend Prosty Live eno na be na etimi abo no omode May 40 aba emema na oma ho den wo fom no unya May 40 mi na aba ema matwo usisi ni mu ye denden ugina so a na jeze be ko hanen kran aba so yemra na da so gina so a wo ye adwuma ena fo akono na aba fom no ebe san pijama no ye May 40 no ena omo abomode de joint 40 aba zen ne no apostle no ena unya pains bi ne ma nhara nko ye entimi amfam ebe na sa ha no nyina etimi ye de fio na abo ama untini mu no etimi ada fine ene the lady for taba era ma baby girls na man de ya na mo asem hia me pa izanzo ho efe na wa hwansi enfio na ekokọ ese basa guys ne be hwehwehwehwe sa ndu baby no na obi ahwe ahia azu obi anya na dwen so no ebetimi etu anamonti ozo okọ na okokoji lady fort ni bi de boa ema na makoyi pere ma de active core cleanser abababira na active core cleanser ro de eni eboa ma moja no edi efusani ye ena afi yenso mu nso no etimi ye adwuma nti wo ne wafu na yesa ahye kakra kese a na wo ye na niema nhyara ndeda die mfa ma avezu kwa jana bia so a obresa orosi ni no obomodena True Words product no omodo na efe active core cleanser wajibina ojibina ababo nse be isa ha no efi odi ama form number enquiries bia betimi aye 0206 595 707 0206 595 707 at 0558 724 302 0558 724 302 niamwa na niamma de ye pen fama mintizi me koba meba na maba be din komo no de akara aboa ama niamma de din pedamant kevin beba na mabo modena komi ahwe na the first draw no menye ti star 256 star free hash star 256 star free hash na yemwa na niamma de ye pa entimi enfama kama ni nyina no Sompa sika promotion na obo modern na ne urama o wa kwenya zonzo no obo modern wa baba betwa dina bibibia de yera mantin mu twamfa ngum na draw no first ni dikin aba me ba be so a second no me de be rama de amanti yanko mon pick screen na me ready po obo modern na first no watimi edina ma hu sere niam esi etiara memra ma beto izanze ne national team gine na so pa yo game na yamba be din komo akra ne ade na ye hu sere niam esi etiadi me first win na no 0245 679 0245 679 edi wa uyusu sa number no ne sere nkomo no esi etie no wakwenya so obo modern na wa ye yanti no ne nsa kana yi no but enke chimfa ma onso wakwenya so bewramu eye star 256 star free hash star 256 star free hash na wabo modern na wawram na aboa na bibibia akoye kama so no etimi era ma na totoye no adeda di nti egu atwene mu rese nipa na wadidi edi kan me ne be didi nkomo no momfa mi ram kakra na nra yehwe the Black Stars orwani nyansu chemu ewo Comoros mo final training session a ewramu no ntu joine na ahwe ahuzampa ese ni sie course bebi a yebebo game no mo koko training ya eboa ma ne ma deda ye pa etimi ede emo ayerese ne 4 pm pepe game ne betimi ewram na enhihye na akọ kama pa and after training no omobo mode to nyoma hodo na ejomani eboa ma bibia deda di na unze ye ne ya mamre no cheze after training na was ye shishi jamana boost guys no mo joma na so ye jwana yenti sele ne mesikoye sa pepe ena etia epo amane madeda ye peda amount to muzampa said the name is here kono nibre wumpe oze na eden edi Comoros mine mo ebo modern edi o machika form ko Christ ni edi nkomere form team no ho na komo di out of game and e no the jai
and we need to make sure that we play very well against a Comoros team that is in good rhythm at the moment, but we are aware of that. These are the things we know. We've watched a lot of Comoros' games and we are aware of the performance. So this is why we have prepared the way that we have. And we need to make sure that we play very
Tiano, your command coach, upon what the Timereja, ya heard more in Sido Musibo Modio Pretty Adia, the Arena, you run there, Boama Bibia Daditine, 4 p.m. per Ramona Nelson, a standing game back because of the Ghana Premier League. The commentary need Dragua, no 9 dua, not twice or ha. At 3 p.m. I had to focus on Ramona Accra Lions, Edia Buenwada, Class Post to Nabwa, my Bibia Dadia Momanra, and also the Bibiani Ghost Star Swab Modia de Krataba. Now checking media release need your Modeba, Baba na jeze bibia deda na kwamu se ne omuni coacha ye frene Michael say she didi din koma omuzo omugiri se sere ne mesi ko to end the considering the team's recent performance and associated results. The management and the head coach Mr. Michael Osei has recognized the need to take proactive measures to restore the teams back to glory, and in this regard it is approved for the head coach to take a short leave of absence to enable us collectively address the challenges and review just existing plans for the future positive result. We played with our supporters to manage their confidence as we plan to restore the success of the club. Thank you. The Emzomini coach in Asia, Niwajia Tumse said the name is Ikonon Tranchen Kakra. Na omonhwe na atsere ntutu nsiti na enye ni na mboa ma bibia ande dadi ba ma minni nkomombra me ba na ma ba beto aso na aye ya me ba jo Sompa TV zuni na odi ni bebia okasa fi
mpata ya ta
ba na on sa kan let no
mpata me ka ka ya
u twa sei
mpata me cha thank you.
Wow, na wonya sei
na ya 500
Edi adia na obeka area che omomohwe ni omomutie fa Sompa sika promotion.
Oh, ya maka na say e real, obi an fa ne wonji. Da ya 500. So ya maka na say e real, obi an fa ne wonji. E real pa.
Ati Martina sankwa second one nzu twa be di why?
Mati, na try.
Ati no obi anya ne 500 Ghana cedi anopo ntu so star 256 star 3 hash star 256 star 3 hash. Now what room na po mane ma timi akoyi na me final we ne be ye nra. Odo wani chemo the Ghana Football Association different committee no maswe ya. Omo de baba betuga Jeze Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. It against Nations FC near me course no mujiri so mo transfer him no mudi for. Ti ya form so mo bra e ma metwa 80,000 Ghana cedis en kan isika na 800 million. Na 800 million no any munko mo ne said the near city no. Yes this SK no is ke be call the ama Nations FC na near me say no o ma bomo de etimi de esi ana mu na aboa ma ne ma de na after no and at the discipline committee ne say didi so any teams ne officials o mudin wa ha no omunyina mpinfo e de tansana bomo a ho asotwen wo ho di Isa Amadu Kotoko against Nations FC Sharif Mohammed and no indicate is a midfielder no defender no Kotoko Nations FC Bechem United FC on match against Insuatemai Bechem United FC on match against Mediama Brekum Chelsea on game against Bibiani Gold Stars Bibiani Gold Stars match against Hartlefolk Asante Koroko SC on game against Karela United Bibiani Gold Stars on match against Pound Out of Lions Apia McCarthy and so match against Hartlefolk Ediana Football Club game against Gate Olympics Dreams FC match against Mediama Karela United match against Bofo Akwatano we na ze Bofo Kokofro police bars e ba besi omukwama ansa na omudnya omutia didim no na Karela FC no na Medican Carnation FC against Asante Kotoko na Nsuateman FC match against Legon City Nsuateman FC against Bechem United na Real Tamale United game against Pando Heart of Lions na Krogoso omonoji weru tuma enye Bo Isa Amadu asebi omo kan ne de wa omo so omo hu so okoko comfortu refi bia ne koyi na de no kra bench ona ne di ni ho so obeba so wanya kwanya amba mewramu Shai Muhammad de no so the same thing e di no omo de be person ka se omo di kan kokoyi ano no senke ema mpinfo no mro mu gina ha na yezu tansa ye de abo ni e no kre na omo kan omo nsem no o ma nya ne sa no omo ni gituma enyiyi e di de ababa be wram no ti akomia na me sha se enfo fi ona me fa apostle bishop we na me ma afrefo ne mra ba so pasika promotion star 256 star 3 hash and chemesa be che 500 Ghana muntwangum na mundi na munyeska na esmas nkofo botum nye de dibiza you represent common what titi bebre Ghana so ye gina kono
abu na
national team e wo form pass isi am
mati abu yanko entobro so e hospital mo nyina ni kwan so na mi say show no omutie ne na no paper enya bete o ma bia to me kamaka na ye nyantie bi susu e de free e yesu nyane about enra arrested me cause of ni Bofakwata no support Feni Seydou Musa
gas one
mem senti ya yet ni say ya granting the bill
ya yi gas one
ya granting the bill by Sunyani Circuit Court no menti omo hwe ni Musa obesari appear e court the same Sunyani Circuit Court by 4th December which is Monday.
Oh okay.
Also set me ko na omo sa akototo na no nti abrante no atimi se enra no me chene de na court by court granting the bill into 4th December obesa go back to court.
Oh okay.
Minim
bibia o de me bewra. Yeah sure yeah.
Yes, Abu Dhabi. I'm say and the Black Stars be take the center stage when it comes to nyoma ye hwe ni musensa beti media kan. ɛno a Mali lose yi ni nyina akyi ni na wo say Mali board draw kam kopa lose ama Mali
lose
hey Mali board draw yi abu em say Ghanaians ɛwɔ ɛni daso bi sɛ ɛnɛ wɔ sɛ Ghana team yɛ bibi ne team top the group no ansa na yakɔ ana ya resume to the various leagues near Ebono. Then yes, asuba another international break advantage will come on our side. Na ni omo team yakoye. But my main issue with this particular current crop of Black Stars players, yes, in recent times, emre bia when you do almost say was omutimi deliver bibi di ma no. Na one way or the other no mafa kwan bi so ayi bibi. Na ma de corona kwa akosei. Ebeka ya Afcon ye call ya na yere won say betimi abone yetimi qualify. Comoros ye kwahye Comoros. Ochama mu nyina kofa besia kofa enchina kofa nyoma hudo nyina be ye nyoma ana Comoros we say qualify the da UPF return on mu amuna ne sisi so ye nim se ba be show mu ba be ko abudi abi ko wi ase no na ye disappointing agu ye ho ma ase ama Comoros ayi afri anwa ho a ye ba be bo qualifiers ne e ka de ki efrim ana ese eja yempo bi fufuro ma ne betare achi no mebo na qualifiers ni timi fa mboturu Milovan Ravat mo betare achi bi ne fa bi mbo eno so anye ne esase san coach ma wotu ado be ye den e ba ene ne Nigeria bo home na we 1-1 ana goalless ene dia we goals ye den e qualify yakọ World Cup first game Ghana lose to Portugal by 3-2. Second game Ghana timi win against South Korea. How nearly you city bottle that particular game against South Korea.
Yes,
e ka de kasa game ne KPK draw. Then you go into a game against Uruguay and look at quite fast to behave in the first few minutes and quite fast so I can capitalize on your chance penalty better on my kobo to train and my Uruguay share me free tournament in the Befi. So okay compare in the last 3 major moments for the national team no once and you bet me the SSC Boaka say we delivered because that Nigeria home away game there was one of the best I heard per mentality in your medical game. But Abu, it looks like this particular current Black Stars team no, about how they deal with pressure and their mental toughness at these particular stages. Some bet me capitalize on opportunities that they are not there. Yes. They are not there.
Oh, I said no.
So me, I'm tipping. We are Ghana ni America chose manage your expectations around this particular Comoros game.
Game winner.
Yes.
Come here Comoros.
Comoros be. Na Comoros na year from Afcon. Did they Comoros be?
And only a shit team.
And only a shit team ye.
Atinano second we still like
Comoros no ne bo not if you show before 2. Onu mu we be share the crowd man say bete. Your mentality in terms of as you crumble too easily under pressure when it comes. We crumble so easily under pressure when it comes. As any who protect it had to take us to qualify against Central African Republic of Bavaria. You can't go la money at the away games in the require fast what is so.
Tinano still win and convince.
Yeah, Tianum Crown. When was the last time I was a Ghana could win an away game?
When they are check a crack. I check. But no still unconvinced so second.
No. And Matiti Kudus in Semino, send training, fitness, late fitness test, or more test, all of these things. If Kudus is supposed to be there, then it might bring a change into this particular lineup. Meaning, so coaching better try with consistency, especially with the back line or more mobile. You know, if Amate is not going to play this particular game, it means it's automatically Kasim will have to come in.
Yes,
because he was second half on the boy. Gideon Mensah will maintain his position. I'm sure Dennis Odoy is an away game, so you prefer Ali Dusedu to start again defensively to also help him in the midfield. Baba Idrisu and Sales. If Kudus any that means in the midfield now either the da you and Majid Ashmeru have to replace Kubu. Majid aside 8 with me as a 10.
Yes.
What did they mention? And the da you also offers with that experience in that particular number 10 role. Jordan will always be maintained. Inaki will be maintained. Semenyo will be maintained. So few positions say at risk per those particular and I give me a Botia give me a bone Madagascar or Baba Sports Stadium. No, those two positions in the best centre back. Then midfield. No, if Kudus is not supposed to be fit, so between about this particular. Abu, this is a game. Mekacho as a Ghanaian, Mekacho say manage your expectations because these particular players in any team we know mentally nankasa they do some research capitalize on opportunities. You can't trust them 100%. say and at the same time winning an away game. It's been long na Ghana winning an away game. So we need to be very careful going into this particular encounter. Comoros is bringing in a lot of confidence now. Psychologically, they are there ahead of us because they feel so also be revenge. They are relaxed. They will give the game the best. And while we have Comoros at the AFCON, they have not looked back. They have not looked back. They have not looked back. And Obian one ma and bought this particular kind of competition. Obian no better if it's in our board row of fear, you find it say more than loss. Because to fear and also to mission in a marathon league.
Wow. Bishop. Brother.
Medasi blasters no. Mpanyinfo no ba omo kan de wo na nso ntie.
Before about to be bad.
Someone na ya che.
What you do actually. Tu don come.
No, my idea. Da ya me ase sa.
Na no ye convince you nyina.
Atai.
Ya bo wani anya ho. Na no wani anya ho.
On say me no sign. Me to ha me ho popo da.
Dabi.
Comoros for na ma me ho popo aeroplane. My boys didn't to me kan asem ni ye ntino. Benedict ne jama mo kan. Omo fe to mo ntimi kan. Bre. Comoros match ni ebo agaru wow. Ananya me nkwane no kwafo. Ti da Jeff Mbeba. Oh masa. Oh cha.
Chine buba na ze weri bi.
Abuba ni bi.
Na akunya na.
Oh. Ananya me nkwane no kwafo.
Ubenya.
I will tell you now omo cha na.
Oh David. No man.
Okay. Hey nana. Yes you are. Never see be I be heavy. Try for
That's all need GDZ.
Because I will be paying.
That bill we say no atwam. Atwam.
Country mouse opo.
Airplane no.
Atwam.
A free garwa.
Kawakuma.
Wakama.
Mommy na no second half no. Kakra na me share ni change Bishop. After lo crack for ye.
Okay.
I never do a chick.
They masum.
Avikosu emu bo mu hwe yi. Because Avikosu they are assassins.
Masa, they nyam betre.
But they are better players than you.
I mean, but how apostle are assassins?
You know, but don't name so Africans. Team back West Africa mo puye pako. Oh, Ivory Coast. They beat us like their girlfriend.
I say in Nigeria.
Anti
men. But how assassins?
Assassins.
Yeah, be sure mo ho. Sa na make am. Maybe another round of 16 there minim. No reading here no. Akwa broche.
Me dear mama krabu ai. Dear mama kukuru cry after Afcon. You boy Egypt again we are kofo bi muze. Come and see wonders.
Fantastic news me that say. Me wadama mira em say ye ka sem na. O masum na meba. Meba me de betwa to. Wadama o. And this Aziz na si park no so kobo no. Oro so bobo amon for there. Hwe. Mama me bibi any gold star statement no. Because I bibi any gold star statement no mo dey aba fa Michael say ho no. Mira o kan on ase. Considering the team's recent performance and associated results, the management and the head coach, Mr. Michael Osei, has recognized the need to take proactive measures to restore the team back to glory. Sa first paragraph no. Nyoma dream say na mo mbetu ama team na saba baby e o se gina no. Management any coach Michael Osei na akabum ekotu sa na mo. Enu nti ya ji atum say coach no onko short leave sene be ya collectively omuni coach ni nyina betime to anamo no ma address challenges omo face no no so plans omo ho no omo review sene be ya that we no omenya results papa ni nyina Michael say kan
ni yo ka
na ye wie ne say we played with our supporters to manage their confidence as we plan to restore the success of the club into obibiani. I also be quite say we import them baby out support to go stars. Na say GDA na wo team num na call from bomodia na manembra form managing send be ya e betima agina pintin na their tight team na chi. Ya menim no kwani on the face value of this. Wapam coach also wapam no. Dey na sanama no mai.
Say won na bisa.
But if we defi
sa Again, Abba.
And I tried reaching them. No more meeting. After meeting, no, and I released me by. Release me by and I meet the home come. The ama also Michael said national. Esre. And so I rehearse some pa.
Ada Azembe.
Omukwa crisis no mu no enye it's been a while.
Yeah.
Omujidi say bibia wa hwase bia no. Ewe wie. Bibia ni kro no ne se hwemani nyina suro se Premier League slot no mo no. Ahwa na fi wonsa. But Mr. Sayebo a oye board chairman Kwesi Adu in the management no so ayo madwen say Kinnick there is no way goes start the relegation. I know the buy. Name omoje Michael Osensudi. Say on the team ni be ko bosha asase. Nti so muji ni this obetima dane na. Eni ade nti na mo say onko step aside. Bodu o ni adwuma mo ko fa de. Your coaches they are out of work now. Get them.
I'm say they are new adwuma. Say akwamia do for their shares here adwuma. Do for
more
adwuma. Or you wo division 1 teams sky and say you wo division 1 teams.
Fantastic.
Also tactical coach the odd time.
Debbie. Nti Mira, tactical man. Tactical. Michael Osei. Free said Joe Debra who you know. He's not been the same.
Bishop how?
I don't know who pa. Obekonoshe them no so. He's not been himself since.
Bishop
Nti mi so na me the Bible to etifu nim say me mum de mi sa. Michael Osei no beti ni din ni modern money ade. Joe Debra say beti kakra nti ma hwebi.
Apostle Mram.
Omo be like
they were good friends. And he played with. We're good friends. I mean, who said Sir Isaac Kwachi, Robert, you have Robert, you have Michael Osei, Frimpong Manzomon. I thought the first pass from the middle always will come from me. Or no? I don't look at the Judah brother, look at Isaac Kwachi.
Oh, okay.
And then you have Thomas Wachi playing on the right. But beyond that, they have very good relationship. Very good relationship. And also obi oben obi ano sad na natural obi a oni no share wonderful moment ata se nipa no ekwa enye easy mouse look we hear grace that moment to go through it enye easy
people in the team he's not been the same again. Easy. Okay, what's it from?
And also emotional. Also Michael.
I don't know a problem.
Michael, emotional person.
The emotion shows so much.
Emotional person too.
You see it.
Coach,
look, in Cobeto also.
Club no struggle.
But
he's on baby more.
Obeba, they believe say he will come back. No, quite one age man.
That you champion.
So you see, is he not part of the setup?
Yeah,
it's a technical problem. But they've decided to repose confidence in him. So for the period, step in. It's a big gamble. But the level of confidence they are showing in Michael Osei, hey, Bia. No, I better catch him. Say, look, Mama, me be 6-7 months na Joe situation. But, okay,
that's a long time.
In some now more canon. What you say? It's not like they don't know the coach is good. And he is good. I'm going to say he's a good coach. I'm going to say Go Stars, they are playing without 14 first team players.
14 first team players.
Yeah. 14. Now no match of Money Nations boy, you know. They injected Opoku Ajiman to go and play through the pain barrier. All best. Yes, I'm friend. Sorry. Ajimanu never summer text no. Wolf was for me.
Ajimanu never summer text.
So they have injury crisis, and then the coach is emotionally down. Yeah. If they had their way, they will cut their losses and get a new manager or coach. Oh, okay.
So you see, here is Joe, here is Michael Osei.
Safu de finish in finale. The white anchor born in Sano.
So now see. the reason why and Michael was one of the youngest players to come into the team. We should name Crown said Joe Mooney but he built a relationship with him. And you see it's about I don't say Minu Bobola now where there's this thing that develop in football over a period of time in the course of training. Met me Jibola, the best person I'll locate is you. And I had Bibia Minu Abe developing now bringing us together in a better relationship form. That is what they had. This was the Baba Sports Stadium.
Okay.
Ona se first 80,000. Na kotoko na entina sometimes I can't some na on Adibakos on Obia ta on the mema. Kotoko over the years this is what Kotoko stand for. Kotoko so be kitikiti about Kotoko. Say Steve Dodomu difficult. This is how a chapter. So Yao Sam was like that. Reverend was take over like that. And I make a recent time Steve Dodomu. But 95% mema. Say omo fitana mo ba omo say omo huru sound say baza you could see but Michael Libya Mikato say I don't know how I'll get it but I'll try and see what I'll get so clip Michael say ball yo on him pop Michael say oh Basajai Michael say ko Germany very early yes Michael say
last time he did Hong Kong.
Germany very early. Very good player. Very pass or not in the put Hanemao. Then he no small. Oh masa. Da. And also because Opuno he one of the most disciplined players Kotoko has produced. Until on and off, you know hear anything. No. He hardly attract card.
Wow.
To own the life crown that was the life on pen once I won't teach you. You hardly see Makolo say, "Oh baby, if you train if you that's him from playful to personal lifestyle not here."
But results are not fleet.
The results are bad.
But factors
a combination of factors.
It's not
only
about the coach.
Right? No, when you drink,
it's not only about the coach.
When you play without 14 of your players, when you have problems, naturally you bring issues in camp. No results, low confidence. Plus, you see. The source I spoke to, Michael said, Fred with the brand Ninia. Until Ninia and the Woo, Ninia and the Woo, Rebecca said, you are supposed to be a professional. But this is somebody who has been to Germany, has seen the highest standards of professionalism in football. But the relationships are said that.
And two that Jai professional, Jabrafono Kamunja Brafono.
Baby girl cry Jale, Jaya baby girl, all bishop, or Hidi Panau. The baby girl.
I don't know, also Gumen myself. Okay.
Baby girl, the Boma, or Shena Unno. And no crowd or now new bees losing the planet here or to show near with feel now that here there's emotional with the bishop.
I'm ready to forget.
Hey, that professor will be guy Jada.
Oh, Massa and Fahon. Archbishop, why Fahon?
It's like a statement, no? I'm saying, I see Namun, but this is it.
Oh, but I mean, your coach Mickey now, minimum results, but recently I was like, I didn't know.
So only do the brand of Germany
yeah.
So then they go far.
The relationship. That's the point.
I see.
Moment only panoni na ye. That was a moment. It's all about moment. Moment nice moment. I was spend like all kind baby girl. Baby girl did not call beach. Only baby girl I call beach. Sorry, I say. What you match or beach there?
That was baby. I was only that
question. Okay. Baby girl enumerate stars was so no more match or be a la beach heavy. What do you say? Only na call Kakum Park. Moments be sa tia basa no jaikra. What do you say? No cre. And I yes also some more match no heavy. Nti won say be attack of far. Definitely. Enye easy sir. Let that way nipa no hunu biomo. Hunu biomo. We baby get crowd to me no asan ko back no akọ kuto apacho na saba and now home mobile match back but we forever it's gone.
I was the way na family na me nyame draw na
yeah match no
yeah final training session e room Moroni no o check possible lineup ebia beba pay training and rewrem no.
Okay.
Richard Ofo be send post Denis Odoy, Gideon Mensah, Kasim Nuhu Adams, Nicolas Upuku, Salis Abdulsame, Jordan Ayew, Majida Shimiru, Inak Williams, Didayu, and Ernest Nyama. Is it possible, you know?
I have a problem with Dede starting. Maza, this is a very crucial game for us. Game where Sienya Bibi Film, especially the favored result and SCA between Mali and the Central African Republic. Game where SCA going with a plan. The plan is saying the Comoros team, no, they attack in transition. They attack and the counter attack. Very good when they are transiting. Beautiful. They pass the ball so well. Look, there is a game I say discipline. You're well organized. I keep your shape because on the bad they were attackers. They were attackers. The Kasim Madoba, the captain that scored against Central African Republic. Or your captain, I said, please, or that Johnny corner free kick, Eshepa. Now, who say yes, player air running, air picky boy, yenta, what you give me, yenta follow and Pikino. It's a major threat, especially now Amate is not in there. Kasim Opoku, that is not going to be easy. But I believe that, say a discipline, now working very hard. When you have Ashimeru starting, that's good. You have a player who is intelligent, creator, good passer of the ball. He drives the team forward. Nyama. So this is where, but I was expecting Osman Bukari rather. Yeah. Because for counter-attacking purposes, Nyama will be good, Bukari will be sharp. Sorry, I say. And away more fullbacks, so that is where you need them to quickly take them on. Not reduce some numbers and then exploit the situation. So this is a taller that one who's almost where say Madagascar share, Ghana share, almost share, almost Shambeko 6 points.
Yes.
Mali are dropping 0.4 points. So almost 6 points. Can you imagine say we in a match, Yamin Pengu now Comoros was 6 points, Mali 4, Ghana 3. Do you know what that means to their confidence? So the stakes are very high. But we are hoping, say the Black Star, at least if for nothing at all, saying we need crowd, we should not lose, at least pick a valuable point. Near any Mali, no, 9-4-4. Then Yaka and Nimni and Faso, you will navigate it through.
Mate, my member for no quite kakra, me bottom my baby final draw on star 256 star free hash, star 256 star free hash. Some Pasika promotion, Barabra, now you meeting Koma Kran, live commentary, beba, na a roman 0551 9